Thank you. Yes, can we start?
May I please, Your Lordship, with the consent of other side, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34. In this case, I have received some instruction, but it was not adequate to file. 34.
34.
Taken.
Just before that, I think I can see Miss Chaudhary and Mr. Bhatta.
Yes. We are
And Mr.
present,
Talukdar. Yes, please come forward. There was a slight confusion in yesterday's matter. That is why I asked the court master to ask you all.
Yes.
But it got sorted
Yes.
because I was trying to find out if any payment was made to the claimant. It appears 50% was given.
Yes, already.
And we already, so I am recording that. Because otherwise I was thinking of directing 50%.
Yes.
So that I saw that it has already been done.
Yes.
So that I've taken care of.
Okay.
Because that part I did not dictate that time.
Yes.
So I thought it is not fair
Mm.
for me to add something, because I'm yet to sign it. I'll sign it today. So I'll add that,
Yes.
because I saw the file.
50% only paid main amount, not interest.
Correct. But that has been paid.
Yes,
So
paid.
the rest now, whatever happens, will follow.
Yes.
And that's a statutory amount, that's it.
That I will ask
Yes.
to, because that's a statutory deposit of 25,000.
Yes.
Right? But I couldn't find that in the file. So Mr. Bhatta, you can just indicate on which date you had deposited so that I can add it in the order. The statutory deposit, which is for the appeal, be returned back to you. Okay.
May I please? With
Yes.
the item number 34, I'm praying for some recommendation, Lordship.
34.
4.
As per Mr. Chetri, you are there?
My lord, I am for the petition.
Any objection?
My lord, objection is that your lordship may peruse the on order dated 22/10/25.
Let him.
Well,
What do you want to do, Mr. Roy?
Lordship,
This should be
Instruction
taken a
received.
final opportunity to him to
Lordship,
file the
let it-
affidavit, my lord.
Is it?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, why it is not there?
Lordship, the instruction we have received.
If there was an order of final opportunity, then I may accommodate you, but let the turn come. Let the turn come. I'll have to see the file.
Lordship.
Yes, next.
Wait, your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 35, Lordship. My-
35.
Yes, Lordship. My-
Suspension. Yes.
Yes, Lordship. My senior, Mr. M.K. Das, is out of session. Lordship.
Your name.
Z. Anjum, Lordship.
As prayed for by MS Jet Anjum, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks.
Lordship, a date may be fixed, Lordship.
When you want it?
Lordship, November last week or December.
On a day, did you? On such and such date. Yes, next.
Lordship, in regards to item 49.
40,
49.
49.
Consent of the other side and paying for an exam.
Yes, I think you have already circulated in advance, correct? 49, no?
Yes, Lord.
As prayed for by Mr.
A.K. Ghosh.
A.K. Ghosh, learned standing counsel,
No, on behalf of Mr. K. Kumar.
on behalf of Mr.
K. Kumar,
K. Kwar, learned standing counsel,
additional AG.
additional advocate general, which is not objected by Mr. R. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, relist after,
But may be taken up on 20th or
on such and such date.
2014 matter.
And that adequate was advanced circulation. Yes, date is given, huh?
Maybe. I beg to mention item 17, my lord.
Item
17.
17.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what do you want?
After 1 week, my lord.
7. You are for the petitioner,
Petitioner.
as prayed for by Mr.
We protest.
B. Purkasthya, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after
1 week.
1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Wait, please, Lordship. With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 10, my lord.
10.
We will be filing our affidavit in reply, my lord.
Have you informed the other side? You are there?
Kindly grant us, my lord, 3 weeks time.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Your name?
J. Mehdi, my lord.
J. Mehdi.
On
As
behalf of
Mr. J. Mehdi, learned counsel on behalf of the writ petitioner, learned counsel for the writ petitioner submits that seeks for 2 weeks time,
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time to file rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition filed by the PNRT.
Yes.
PNRT. Stop. Prayer allowed, relist after so and so on a date to be fixed by the registry. Next,
Wait, please, Lordship. I like to mention item number 25, Lordship.
25.
With 25, with the consent of the petitioner, the meter may kindly be listed on Wednesday, Lordship.
Why? What is auspicious on Wednesday?
Because the meter come by order. They mentioned the meter and we had to seek certain instruction from the client.
You're Mr.
US Bora.
Yeah,
I'm
as
appearing
prayed for by Mr. U.S. Bora, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of
4,
Mr.
5 and 6.
No,
S. Bor Thakur.
S. Borthakur, Learned Counsel for respondent numbers 4, 5, and 6, comma, which is not objected by MS. Who's the petitioner? Mr. U.K. Goswami, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, relist on such and such date. Yes,
12th. Must be raised.
yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 19 for
19,
adjournment for the day, Lordship.
you are for the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
As prayed for by MS.
J. Das.
J. Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, relist after
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Give Ms. Barua's appearance. You are for the BTC. Yes, next.
Yeah, please. Also, I beg to mention item number 29 also. Kindly adjourn this case for the day, Your Honor.
20,
29.
29. As prayed for by Mr.
I'm sorry.
M. Saikia, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after,
Lordship, only for the day, Your Honor.
relist after a
That
week
may
on a
kindly
date to be
be
fixed by the registry. Next.
That may kindly be.
Okay, next.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, I would like to mention item number 8, my lord. My lord, my senior is now out of registration for his medical treatment, my lord.
Your petitioner,
Yes, my lord.
as prayed for by Mr.
R.I. Bhuya.
R.I. Bhuya, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of the writ petitioner on the ground that the arguing counsel, Mr.
N.S. Mother.
N.H. Majar Bhuya is undergoing medical treatment outstation, comma, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Next.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 11 and 12.
11 and 12, yes.
Kindly the matter may be adjourned for the day.
You are for,
J. Kalita, petitioner, Lordship.
and your name,
S. Kathak, Lordship.
as prayed for by Mr. S.
Kathak, Lordship.
Kathak,
Yes.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. J. Kalita, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Public, Lordship.
Yes, please call the list.
For withdrawal, item number 1.
Withdrawal.
My lord.
Mr. D. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, submits that he has received instructions not to press the instant interlocutory application,
The writ
the writ petition and the accompanying only the writ petition.
IA is the withdrawal petition.
Okay, stop. In the IA data, huh? By filing of this IA, Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Standing Counsel, Tinsukia Municipal Board is present. MS Barua for government additional advocate general. Additional okay. Government council, state council. Prayer allowed, withdrawn. Yes.
Only thing, my lord, in regard to applicants number 2 and 12, I'm seeking a liberty because the others have come within the ambit of.
What is this part liberty?
Why I'm saying, my lord, the others have come within the ambit of the newly formulated Assam Municipal Employees Provincialization Act 2025, for which they are entitled because they were all appointed prior to 4th of September.
You made that prayer here.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship will kindly see the prayer portion.
Not
Lordship.
mentioned.
In fact, I have.
Not mentioned. Where is the liberty you have sought here?
Paragraph number 6, my lord. Page
Where is the liberty sought in the prayer?
Paragraph number
In
6, page number.
prayer, show me the liberty.
Prayer, my lord, the liberty. Well. Public.
For motion, item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship? Can you pass over the matter for the day?
For the day. Your name,
Oh, sorry for the time being.
time being.
Item number 3.
My lord, this is a application for issuing the writ of quo warranto, my lord.
Hmm?
Writ of quo warranto.
Page,
My lord, the impugn order, that is my lord, challenge, it is annexure 7 at page, my lord, 35. Yes, my lord. My lord, this appointment, my lord, it is in violation of my lord, the section 26A and 46.
This is a compassionate appointment matter.
This is not compulsory, my lord, this is a in-charge, my lord, in-charge posting of my lord,
This was the
appointment of the
This
register
is
of.
item number 3. Rupak,
Yes, sir.
do it to or timing. Yes.
My lord, appointment of as a my lord, in-charge register of Assam Pharmacy Council, this is in violation of my lord, section 26A and 46. In view of the my lord, earlier occasion, Lordship by this honorable court has decided a case, my lord, in that is I annex at page number 37, annexure 9, by which my lord goes already whole that if no appointment can be made by the pharmacy council or by the government. This a procedure is that my lord, the pharmacy council has to approve.
Which order?
My lord, this is a annexure 9 at page 37. Lordship may come.
Notice, I'll issue notice at this
Yes,
stage.
notice may be-
Heard Mr. P. Mohanpal, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. H. Halia, learned counsel appearing for
1, 2, 3, 4. And Lordship all the responding.
5 also. 5 is in person.
Lordship, oh, yes, Lordship. But there's a, yes, registered post.
So 1 to 4. Huh? Pharmacy council you are appearing, right?
Yes, Lordship.
1 to 4. And
1 to 4.
1, 2, 4.
then you say by way of this petition under Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking a writ of quo warranto against the notification dated 8/9/2025 issued by the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Health and Family Welfare, whereby the post of the whereby the post of the respondent number 5 was
Designate.
Designated.
de-designated. Re-resignate. Then your look at your prayer. Re-designated
Yes, ma'am.
as in charge registrar Assam Pharmacy Council. Stop.
Designated.
Until a new register is appointed. Huh?
Yes.
Good stuff. Issue notice, so and so accepts for 1 to 4, 5 registered post AD, extra copies 3 days, steps 3 days, relist after.
Well,
So it's prayer asali. Yes, Mr. Sharma,
Malad, here, this relates to Malad SSB volunteers, my lord.
relates to
SSB,
SSB.
Volunteers, my lord. The SSB was constituted in 1963, my lord. Since 65 onwards, these volunteers are appointed. First, it was in Nagaland to tackle the insurgents, my lord.
So you are seeking regularization.
Yes, this notice will go.
Notice.
Three high courts already allowed.
Notice. Heard Mr. R.P. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel assisted by D. Doloy, Learned Counsel is appearing for the
Dole, my
petitioner.
lord, not Dole.
Huh?
Dole.
Dole. Also heard MS.
M. Burman
M. Borman, Learned Counsel appearing for
for Mrs. A. Guy, respondent number 1 and 2.
again, respondent 1 and 2 CGC and as Barua for state respondent 3. Issue notice, returnable 3 weeks, extra copies, and after 3 weeks. By way of this Article 2 to 6, a paragraph D2, DDBA, regularization services of the petitioner. Gratuity. Mr. Sharma?
Yes, sir, lord.
Yes, who is not giving your gratuity?
No, your lordship, I am the employer.
Oh, you are the
And-
how the employer has come in a writ against a person?
No, against your lordship, Deputy Chief Labor Commissioner.
Page number 198 is the relevant portion, Your Lordship.
Page number
198.
198. You are seeking quashing of that order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
198.
8, Your Lordship.
What was happened by this? This is an appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship. The controlling authority has directed me for the gratuity payment.
Yes.
And accordingly, we have deposited the 100% appeal. Before preferring the appeal, we have deposited before the department 100% of the amount as decided to Your Lordship. But the thing is that this order does not contain my contentions. And there is nothing written in this order regarding the regulations of the bank, which has been accepted by the employer and the employee.
So,
And I have faced 129 crores rupees loss from his, and that has been proved in the departmental process.
no, what are you seeking by way of this writ?
Your Lordship, this order, Your Lordship.
No, but this order, what has been directed to pay the gratuity?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Therefore, in my considered opinion, the action of the appellants in forfeiting the gratuity amount is erroneous as they have not followed the procedure laid down in the so and so. And forfeited a total amount of gratuity payable so and so. Uphold the order of controlling authority.
Controlling of.
So this is the second time.
Yes, this is the.
Then
And Your Lordship may kindly read this order, Your Lordship. There is no contentions has been,
where is the controlling authority's order?
yes, Your Lordship. That is at page number 112, Your Lordship.
112.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Your Lordship, there also I have deposited the entire documents that under what situation.
At best, you'll only get notice.
Your Lordship, my prayer is only that.
I'm not going to give you more
since
than
the
that.
entire amount has already been.
No,
deposited
no.
With the department, Your Lordship.
I may keep your interim open till the other side enters appearance.
Your Lordship, just not to release the amount, Your Lordship.
I'm not
They will
going to
release-
do that. It's a gratuity matter. Controlling as well as the appeal has given its finding against you.
Just give one glance, Your Lordship.
Sorry, Mr. Sharma, prima facie, I'm not convinced for an interim. It's
Your
only
Lordship,
for, you want me to reject the interim today or you want me to keep the interim open?
It may be open.
So then that is why I am suggesting. Heard Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner by way of this writ under, by way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. The petitioner is assailing the order dated 31/1/2023 passed by the controlling authority under Section 3 of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 and the and the Assistant Labour Commissioner, Central Government of India, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Silchar, Assam, in application number 4802/2020-SA, whereby the petitioner bank was directed to pay and disburse an amount of rupees 28,75,412 to the respondent towards gratuity, as well as the order dated 14/7/2025 passed by the Deputy Chief Labour Commissioner, Kolkata, the Appellate Authority under Section 77 of the said Act in appeal number 4802/2023, appeal PG, whereby the appeal preferred by the respondent bank was rejected and the order passed by the controlling authority was upheld. Issue notice, returnable 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, you can get it done, 2 weeks.
And as well as.
Dusty,
Yes, Your Lordship.
so make it 3 weeks as well as Dusty. So whatever you put the affidavit of service, and in the Dusty mode and interim on, notice on the interim as well, relist after swings or give a date after 3 weeks.
And Your Lordship,
Relist on such and such.
prayer for the interim may be. clear.
I said notice on interim as well. Yes.
Item number 6.
May it please, Your Lordship. My lord, petition relating to my lord suspension.
Suspension.
My lord. My
But
lord,
not
already-
reviewed.
No reviewed, no so cause was issued, my lord.
Huh?
No so cause was issued, no review, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi.
Lordship, let me take the instruction. Notice may be taken.
What instruction? Why notice is not, why no, even no memorandum of
No
charge?
memorandum at all, madam. Even no subsidiary allowance till today. And
I'm
there is no,
issuing notice, I don't, but I'm fixing a short date. Heard Mr. N. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Excise, within bracket, respondent numbers 1 and 2, and Mr. A. Chakravarti, Learned Government Counsel, for respondent number 3. By way of this petition under Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is assailing the impugned suspension order dated 9/6/2025, passed by the Commissioner of Excise, Assam Housefed, Assam, huh? Commissioner of Excise, Assam, on the ground that that despite lapse of the suspension, 3 months stroke 90 days suspension period, neither the memorandum of charges nor the review of the suspension period has been made by the authorities. Issue notice, making it returnable on such and such date at a date after 2 weeks. So and so accepts extra copies within the course of the day. Okay, within the day.
Right.
List accordingly. Needless to be clarified that since the issue involves is non-furnishing of the memorandum of charges within the stipulated suspension period and or not reviewing the same within the suspension period, the respondents shall obtain the specific instructions in this regard and positively ensure filing of return by the next date of listing.
March.
No point of keeping these
Yes, Your
matters pending, Mr. Gogoi.
Item number 53.
Wait, please. Your
Yes, Mr. Bhagawati.
Lordship, petitioner is serving as a senior assistant lordship. His next promotional post is lordship supervisory assistant, which is fallen vacant lordship.
What you are seeking promotion to the post of supervisory assistant?
Lordship.
On what ground?
Lordship, just seniority.
Seniority. All right, we'll issue notice.
Lordship, some persons are holding personal posts. So this cannot be promoted surpassing me, lordship.
That's all right, but
Notice have to go.
notice, let the notice go. Heard Mr. M. Bhagawati, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. N. Upadhyaya, Learned Counsel. You're appearing as what? You're appearing as what? Standing Counsel, Government Counsel. Learned Standing Counsel Irrigation for the all respondents or except 5.
1 to 4.
Respondent numbers 1 to 5, 1 to 4, huh? By way of this petition under Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking promotion to the post of supervisory assistant in the where?
In the irrigation department.
In the
lordship.
irrigation department. Issue notice, returnable 2 or 3? 3 weeks. Mr. So-and-so accepts notice for 1 to 4, extra copies 2 days or 3 days, steps by registered post for 5, and list 5, 6, 7. Okay, 5, 6.
In the meantime, lordship,
The pendency of the writ petition shall not be a bar for the respondent authorities to consider the case of the petitioner to promote to the post in question.
54.
Yes, Mr. Saikia.
Meet with the lordship. It's not relates to suspension, my lord. The petitioner of your lordship was placed on a-
Suspension, yes.
he was placed on a suspension.
Who's there for the other side?
2024. Dima House of Autonomous Council, madam, SL department.
Yes. You are there.
Yes, sir. We would like to take our instruction, lordship. As they have challenged.
Short date, suspension. You are also same ground. No memorandum.
My lord, memorandum, lordship, kindly see the memorandum.
Memorandum given,
Please 14, lordship, may kindly tell.
but
They
no
have passed an
extra.
order no so cause to me. We have initiated the DP without my lord issuing so cause. Please continue. But no review till today, my lord. More than 1 year.
Two weeks. Heard Mr. I.S. Saikya, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard MS.
Tindung on behalf of RM.
So and so learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. R.M. Das, learned standing counsel, the Mahasa Autonomous Council. For all respondents, na?
For respondent number 3267, my lord.
For respondent numbers
3 to 7.
3 to 7. And state, Mr. Chutia, state, will you take?
Yes.
Health department. Health department, Chalia. Where's Chaliagan? Or Gogoi? Yes. MS Borthakur on behalf of A. Chalia for the health 1 and 2. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is assailing the impugned suspension order dated 7/9/2024 issued by the Additional Chief Medical and Health Officer, Dimahasa, on the ground that Mr. Saikya, this 11 November is within the 30 day, within the that on the ground that the inter alia on the ground that the memorandum of charge is issued without issuing any show cause to the petitioner. Issue notice, so and so accepts. He further submits that there has been no review or renewal of the suspension despite the expiry of the stipulated suspension period. 3 weeks. All right. Give a date, making it returnable on such and such date after 3 weeks. And suspension or needless to be clarified. Get your instructions on this point. But here I think you'll have to file a detailed affidavit because that order is also neither here nor there. Yes. Yes, Mr. Barua.
May please, my lords. This is a writ petition filed by the widow of a constable who was employed with the Sasastra Sima
For pension?
No, my lord. Yes, pension and other benefits, my lord. Now the issue is that, my lord, as per Hindu rites, the marriage is solemnized. My lords may have the picture at page number 14.
Page number?
14.
Yes.
And my lord, the wedding invitation card on page number 17. So that proves that we have been married, my lord.
Yes.
However,
Page number?
Page number 14 and 17, my lord.
17.
17 is the invitation card.
Yes.
So, my lord, he was posted at Gaya in Bihar, my lord, with the 29th Battalion. Soon after the marriage, he had to go back to his posting, and therefore the registration formalities could not take place. And
so there is a dispute to the
yes, my lord,
to her.
Yes.
Notice then. Otherwise, I was trying to, because the moment you said a widow and for pension, I would have expedited, but that it looks like there has to be some documents. I'll give you a short date, Mr. Barua.
May I just submit one?
Yes, please.
My lord, the situation is that as per the instructions, the authorities have processed the documents in favor of the parents because in the service records, the nominees were not updated. Now, I have the apprehension that the benefits may be given to them. And in the meantime,
I cannot do that
I'm
right
6
now.
months pregnant, my lord.
You see, I can only empathize with the petitioner at this moment because it appears that on document, you see, the parents are there.
My lord, yes.
And there is no documents besides the photo and the invitation card.
I need some time to
So,
upload the succession certificate.
Correct.
So I
So
need that time from them, my lord. That is all I'm praying. Until then, it may
you
be.
see that Mr. Roy will see, because it will not be proper, because the parents we don't know. They may be old and they may be also, so it is not correct right now without seeing anything
My
to
lord, I understand.
pass any sort of such order.
I'm so obliged, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Barwa.
Well, on,
Sorry, heard Mr. A. Barwa, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Roy, S.K. Roy,
SS, sir.
S.S. Roy, learned counsel for the for the respondents. By way of this petition under Article 2 to 6 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking grant of a reasonable time in order to obtain the succession certificate while dispensing with the requirement of production of the marriage certificate for entering her name as nominee in service records of late Roman Sharma on the ground that she has that she is the legitimate wife of the said deceased. Issue notice returnable 2 weeks.
Lordship, question of maintainability of this.
That you take when it comes. Right now, how much?
Lordship, let it be 3 weeks, Lordship.
Because
Is from Bihar.
Give a date. Making it returnable on such and such date. Since the prayer is for grant of a reasonable time to enable the petitioner to obtain the succession certificate in connection with her claim for the pensionary benefits of her deceased husband, in the event any such representation has been made before the respondent authorities, the same may be considered.
my lord, may kindly have
I
page
can
number 90.
only say that.
Yes, I'm
nothing
so
more
obliged,
than
my lord.
that.
My lord, the representation is at page 90.
It's all right.
Father and mother of that disease has not made in party.
I am not giving you anything. You make them a party. Otherwise, how we can give anything?
My lord, right now my grievance was not against the parents, the fact that they had not considered my representation to give me
But
the
you
document.
see,
My
Mr.
lords.
Barua,
I understand.
if
my lord.
the
I'll make them
order
a
is
party.
been given, who will get affected?
My lords, I understand. I'll make them a party, my lord.
Make them a party.
My lord. I'm obliged.
Mr. A. Barwa, Mr. S.S. Upadediba draws the attention of this court that the parents of the deceased are not arrayed as party respondent in the instant writ petition. So and so submits that necessary shall do the needful in order to array the parents of the deceased in the writ proceedings.
I'm so obliged, my lord. So,
And when you last thought, Koma, the pendency, just 1 second, the pendency of the last paragraph to Gusai pendency of the instant writ petition shall not be a bar for the respondent authorities to consider the representation dated.
my lord, the first representation is at 5/9/2025,
So and so.
and after an email on 6/10/2025.
That's all right. So representation, which page is that?
My lord, page number 19. The
Silo,
email.
huh? So and so pending before the so and so.
I'm so obliged, my lords.
That way there is no nothing. There is no positive anything. It's already there.
Yes, ma'am. I'm so obliged.
Number 7.
May what's it inadvertently it was not taken. Today I may be permitted. Lordship.
Inadvertently, what is not taken?
Step Lordship.
Oh, steps. Admission.
Today I may be permitted.
Okay. Mr. M. Saikia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, with profused apologies, seeks further.
Petitioners.
Further, how many weeks?
Lordship, for today, Lords. I'll take.
For the seeks a day's accommodation in order to take the steps as directed by this court by order dated 22/9/2025. Prayer is allowed, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Time order is there.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing. However, in the event the steps is not taken as assured before this court, the said interim order shall automatically stand vacated.
For admission, item number 9.
Shall not be extended.
Make future process. So the matter relates to my lord pension, my lord, but on the basis of pay protected salary, my lord.
Affidavit in reply was filed.
Yes, my lord, pleadings complete, my lord.
It is complete.
Please complete,
Yes,
my lord. Please
Mr.
complete,
Gaur,
my lord, pleadings complete.
it is complete.
I will fix that.
Next week,
My lord, they should follow.
heard Mr. S. Mukhtar, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Dhar, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers.
PWD, my lord.
Learned standing counsel PWD and Mr. C. Barwan, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 3. As prayed for, relist and for admission.
Admission hearing, my lord.
Admission hearing in the after 2 weeks on any date to be fixed by the registry.
So like.
Item 13.
Area and pensionary benefits.
Lordship.
What about the instructions?
From AZ Lord.
Yes, who's there? Mr. C. Barwa. AG. AG, I think C. Barwa, right?
Okay.
Your name is reflected or not? Because there was a direction to reflect your name in the cause list for
Yes,
respondent number
yes, sir.
4.
Yes, Lord.
Mr. Barwa, if in the event you are not aware of it, you please give him, I'll post it next week, huh? As prayed for, heard Mr. A. Sharma,
Lordship.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned standing counsel for the respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, and 5, and Mr. C. Barwa, learned standing counsel for the respondent number 4.
Additional senior government.
Additional senior government advocate. Mr. C. Barua seeks a short accommodation in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist next week on any date to be fixed by the registry. Showing the name. Today also it is there.
It's there.
Huh. What more?
In spite of that, it is.
So next time you be more careful. It is already there. Yes. Yes.
This
Mr.
case released to my lord
Barburia?
for proceeding after 20 years.
Huh? After
20 years, my lord, I have
20
been
years?
shocked.
Mr. Gogoi and no affidavits.
No inspection, they cannot. There's no
I was
even receipt.
wondering when I saw that smile. I was wondering something is going to come now.
It's a
No,
wrong.
Mr. Nath. Otherwise, councils don't smile. Especially when they have good cases, they will never smile. Because then they think if they smile, it might go against them. No, Mr. Nath. Yes.
Lordship, after more than 10 years, this
20 years.
20 years, your lordship. So even a not reasonable ground is given. So I cannot.
Well, in the light of
On my part, lordship, I don't think this is a.
Huh?
I don't think this order stands, your lordship. On
Where is the order?
order, lordship will see at next year 1, my lord, show cause. Before coming to that, my lord, apex court, my lord, in the case of my lord, delayed, my lord, I have marked it, my lord, lordship kindly have it.
when I
This is after how many days?
20 years, my lord. Matter of
23 or 20?
23, my lord.
In your case, it's 23, right?
23, now it is 25.
Page of which one?
This petition, my lord. And I have executed, my lord. Page 23.
Right now, are you still holding?
My lord, I'm still working.
You are working as forest ranger.
Forest ranger, but not in that particular place. Roaming, my lord.
So, which is the impugn order? Page 18 is the impugn order?
Yes, my lord. That is the impugn defermental proceeding. my lord. Thank you.
Complaint petition is of 2005.
My lord, lordship will see, my lord, page 19.
1 second. So this disciplinary proceeding had taken place.
My lord.
Now, when did that take place?
My lord, lordship will see, my lord, page 20, charge number 4. It's a
Yes.
matter of 2000, my lord.
So that I have understood. Now, ultimately, these disciplinary proceedings has passed the order on 12/5/23. And these proceedings was done when? Any hearing was done or it was all
No,
done?
Nothing else, nothing else. And I have replied
So
to
it
that.
says that so and so you are therefore charged with violation of established procedure.
My lord.
You should submit your written in defense and so in case you. So this is the initiation.
My lord.
So they have initiated a disciplinary inquiry after about 23 years.
My lord.
Yes. Even the, I have read the Supreme Court judgment at all.
I can dispose it of,
Yes,
I
yes,
think.
yes.
Which paragraph of this decision?
Lordship, yes. Para 17, my lord. Para 17 of page 12, my lord.
And there is no explanation of the
Exactly.
delay, isn't it?
Yes.
Take down. Heard Mr. J. I. Barbhuya, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. R. R. Gogoi, learned standing counsel,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned
All the respondent.
standing counsel, Forest, within bracket, respondent numbers 1 to 4. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is assailing the impugned show cause notice dated 9/5/2023 issued by the Secretary to the Government of Assam Environment and Forest Department, Guwahati, whereby this is what is this 9/5/23 and this is 12/5/23 is different.
9.5 is the page 18, my lord. 9.5 is page 21, my lord.
Page 18, 19 and then 20 is what? 20 there is a signature.
My lord.
So it's 9 May or it's 12/5.
Sign on 12.5.
I think signed on 12/5. That's why I'm getting confused. Kibili Kola, impugned. Impugned show cause impugned show cause notice dated 9/5/2023 issued by the Secretary to the Government of Assam Environment and Forest Department, whereby the petitioner was directed to show cause as to why a disciplinary proceeding shall not be initiated against him for alleged charge of misappropriation of government money while he was in charge of Jorhat Range in November 2000. In the year November, for the period November 2000. Stop. The primary ground urged in the writ petition is that the disciplinary proceedings have been initiated after almost 23 years of the alleged charges of the alleged misappropriations without any explanation whatsoever as regards the inordinate delay of initiating the said disciplinary proceedings. Stop. Mr. Barbuya so-and-so submits that the disciplinary proceedings impugned in the writ petition having initiated after a lapse of almost more than 23 years is in total violation of the law laid down by the apex court and hence is liable to be interfered with. In support of his aforesaid submission, he relies upon the decision of the apex court in the case of Amrish Srivastava versus the state of Madhya Pradesh and others in civil appeal number 10590 of 2024. Mr. A. Chalia, in his usual Mr. R.R. Gogoi, learned standing counsel Forest, in his usual fairness, does not oppose. In his
Explanation, nothing has.
in his usual fairness submits that the plain reading of the disciplinary of the impugned show cause notice itself makes it clear that the proceeding has been initiated almost after 23 years and there is no explanation whatsoever as regards the same. Correct?
Correct.
Having heard the learned counsels appearing for the parties and having perused the material available on record, including the case law cited at the bar, this court finds that admittedly there has been an inordinate delay in initiating the departmental proceedings in question against alleged misappropriation of government funds. It appears that the respondents were it appears that the petitioner, while he was in charge of Jorhat range, has been alleged to have failed to perform his entrusted duties. Full stop. And in the impugned show cause notice, under the charge willful and gross negligence of government duties, the following instances have been given. Quote unquote Roman 1 or 7, page 18. For the alleged charge number 2, connivance in illegalities abetting illegal timber trade causing loss of revenue for the state exchequer. the following instance, while he was in charge of Jorhat Range, comma, the following instances are given, 1 and 2. It is apparent that he was charged with willful and gross negligence of government duties and for connivance in illegalities and abetting illegal timber trade in his jurisdiction. Oh, tar agot 3 আৰু 4 আছে, huh? 3 to misappropriation of government money, or 4 to non-submission of fortnightly diaries, violation of established procedure. Huh? So, egita 19 or 20 pama, 3 under 2 আছে, hetu read quote unquote koriba. 4 under 2 eta paragraph আছে and quote unquote koriba. Tar pisot etia je kollu tare logot 1 2 3 4 gute gita koi diba. He was charged with all of this. While he was in charge of the Jorhat Range since November 2000. It further appears that the period mentioned therein is pertaining, it is further apparent that upon receiving a complaint petition on 9/11/2005, from one Bhuben Chandra Bora, the then Mahaldar of Bhogdoi, San Mahal, the allegation, the illegal acts of the petitioner came into the notice of the respondent authorities. It is apparent that the allegations leveled are for the period 2005 to 2006. It is thus evident that after almost, not 23 nohobo, so 2006 or count koriba, almost, after almost
2 decades.
Not 2 decades, 16 to 16, 10 years, 10, 14.
I think
16, 17, almost
more
than 17 years.
after almost more than 17 years, the impugned show cause notice for initiating a disciplinary proceeding against the petitioner has been issued. In Amresh Srivastava Supra, the apex court has held that continuing the departmental proceedings after an undue delay, no, don't say that, has held that no, the apex court in the context whether delay is a ground for stopping the departmental proceedings at the stage of the charge sheet itself has held that where there is unexplained inordinate delay in initiating departmental proceedings, despite the alleged misconduct being within the knowledge of the department, but still no departmental proceedings were initiated, comma, continuation of such departmental proceedings after an undue delay would be unjust, causing unnecessary mental distress and damaging the reputation of the employee for the mistakes committed by the department in initiating disciplinary proceedings. Stop. In view of the admitted, it is undisputed that in the instant case, there has been a delay of almost 17 years for initiating the departmental proceeding in question against the petitioner for the alleged misappropriation and illegal acts while he was in charge of the Jorhat range, without any explanation whatsoever as regards the inordinate delay for initiating such disciplinary proceeding. That being so, keeping in mind the ratio laid down by the Apex Court in the case of Amresh Srivastava Supra, this court finds this court finds that continuation of the departmental proceeding shall not be fair and accordingly set aside and quash the impugned show cause notice dated so and so. Ordered accordingly, writ allowed.
Until 15.
My lord, issue involved in this case is.
Yes, Mr. Nath.
My lord, issue involved in this case is regarding
Pay.
payment of minimum scale of pay in terms of the judgment by this honorable court in Upendra's case, relying on Jagjit Singh case of Supreme Court, my lord. Now, last 2 or 3 occasions, they take time to file affidavit, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Nayak, affidavits.
Did we receive instruction? We are going to file that, sir. Would you?
When?
2 weeks, Lordship.
23 matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Why 2 years?
Otherwise, this matter has already been decided, Lordship. On the next date, Lordship, I will place judgment. No, even if Jagjit Singh is placed, Lordship. Into the matter,
You want water?
I'll file that.
All right, you file your return.
Yes.
Heard Mr. M. Nath, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. MS.
DL Deca.
Sorry,
Your Lordship, DL Deca.
DL Deca. DL Deca. Also heard Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Additional Advocate General,
For finance.
Stroke Standing Counsel Finance. Any PNRD, Mr. AK Ghosh, Learned Standing Counsel PNRD. Huh? Mr. Nayak, so and so seeks further how much time?
2 weeks.
Further 2 weeks time to complete return. Prayer is allowed. However, in the event the return is not submitted by the next date of listing, the matter shall proceed in accordance with law.
The first week of December, anything, any date?
Did ya?
Operation.
Item 16.
Lordship, in this matter, affidavit is almost ready. We'll be filing it next week, Your Lordship. Because the documents in the records are not
Okay.
there.
Heard Mr. S. Thakur, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. R.R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel PHA. Mr. R.R. Gogoi submits that
Affidavit is almost ready.
the affidavit, but you see, every time the matter comes, sometimes you say instructions received, sometimes you say records received, then you say affidavit is ready. It has to finally be filed.
We file. We'll be sending it vetting on time. Your Lordship.
That the affidavit in opposition is ready and the same is going to be filed
Next week, Your Lordship.
filed by next filed by the within the next week. Stop. In view of the aforesaid relist, yes, Mr. Thakur, when?
Any date, Your Lordship.
After
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Objection.
In the meantime, petitioner, if so advised, may file rejoinder against the return so filed. Again, the return if so filed. If filed, huh? Not so.
15.
Yes, 18. Mr. Bhattacharya.
My lord,
Yes.
this matter relates to.
You're appearing?
Yeah, my lord, pay for it.
Respondent number 7.
Department.
What about affidavits? Have you filed?
Last question, my lord,
Government took time to file affidavit
Hmm?
on the last occasion.
You are Sharma, na? S. Sharma. Mr. Sharma, you have filed, no? Are you going to file? And who else? Anybody else? Government is, yes.
Elementary education.
Elementary. And Fukan, Miss N. Fukan, I think was there. Yes, time was obtained on 26th August. Anyway, but nobody is there today from elementary. Heard Mr. A. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 7. None appears for the elementary education department on call. It appears that returns have not yet been filed. Mr. Sharma submits that return on behalf of R7, if so advised, shall be filed within 2 weeks from today. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. But I want to do with elementary.
They have to file, my lord, otherwise.
They're not here.
Supplement.
This code deprecates deprecates the manner in which the brief has been handled on behalf of the elementary education department, inasmuch, despite repeated adjournments seeking for filing return, neither return has been filed till date, nor there has been any representation by any penal advocate on behalf of the elementary education department on call. You inform?
Can this matter be listed on 24th?
Yes. Mr. Sharma, if you want to file, you file it, huh?
24th.
deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Attempt 20.
My lord. My lord, I retired on my lord 31/10/2021. 31/10/2021. Till date, my lord, my retirement benefit.
And no affidavit also?
I have filed, pursuant to the order by this.
R4, you are R4 in
R4.
fact. But are you the main respondent here?
No, I have admitted the amount. It's an admitted amount, but we are financially, we are not enough to reimburse the amount. So we have written to the Director of Municipal Administration to assist
Director of?
Municipal Administration.
Who's appearing?
Mr. Deepam Barua on last occasion appeared for.
Where is he? Mr. Deepam Barua. Yes, where is Mr. Barua?
Last occasion appeared.
Yes.
Affidavit is filed by the chairman, municipal board. We are not representing him.
No. Municipal Administration.
There is an order. It says the Executive Board of Shrivumi Municipal Board has placed before the court the copies of the audited accounts. Learned Counsel submits that he has received this report only so and so, considering that this is 28. After that, you have filed your affidavit.
Right.
So now in your affidavit, you say that you are not being able to disburse
Yes.
because of financial
Financial.
constraint. So therefore, now the affidavit of
Municipal Administration. that-
yes, and administration would become essential.
Yes.
I think Mr.
Director number
Chutia, probably today you don't have a copy of that affidavit filed by the
Yes,
respondent number
we
4.
have.
You have it. So you go through and
People,
you've seen. Are you
due to, one of the lack of finance.
now what is to be done?
This is the one of one branch is for development, municipal government granted, but it is cannot be used for the salary or any thing of the employee.
Then what will the employee do? Where will he go?
So the municipal board has to.
No, this cannot be. There has to be a solution. The welfare state.
Solution.
There has to be something. You put an affidavit, then this court will otherwise have to adjudicate.
I will write to the director.
Correct. You find out what can be done.
What can be done?
Because it's not fair. They are admitting the financial constraints.
Audited reports have been submitted.
Correct. These are matters which has to be also looked empathically.
Yes, yes, yes,
Someone
yes,
is suffering, isn't it?
Right to the right to.
Your salary's been pending since when?
Since my lord, I retired on 31/10/2021.
Huh? Till
31/10/2021.
21.
It's retirement benefit.
Retirement
Yes,
benefit.
ma'am.
No arrear salary.
Arrearment.
I think arrears.
Includes arrear salary.
I think arrears
Yes,
salary
ma'am.
include
This is page
area
20.
area salary plus retirement
Yes,
benefit.
ma'am, page 22.
So,
12,48,000.
yes.
Yes,
We
we
have
have admitted page 29. We have admitted that amount.
That's why I'm saying, you see, when this has been admitted, it's not fair.
Yes.
A person has served, he's retired, and it's not fair to keep something pending. I mean, these are not fair to anyone.
Exactly.
I mean, I'm suffering from various diseases, could not even take.
All
the
right,
health benefits.
you see,
Mild.
the court is also
Mild.
there
Yes.
are constraints. We don't have the stand of the government, so let it come.
Mild.
4 and 5.
Heard Mr.
HR Chaudhary.
H.R. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Dhar, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of,
Respondent
no,
for 4 and 5.
appearing for
Municipal board,
municipal board. No? Respondent numbers
4 and 5.
4 and 5, and Mr. T.C. Chutia, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate for respondent number
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
Who is the finance department?
Respondent, Mr. Dhar point draws the attention of the court that on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5, and the return has been filed on 1/9/2025, a copy of which is available on record. Perusal of the aforesaid affidavit indicates that the page 29 you admitted, you said, na?
Yes. Page 29, that is the admitted amount.
That the municipal board admits that an amount of 12,28,969 is outstanding against the petitioner on account of terminal benefit to be paid, right?
Yes.
However, the same is not being able to be disbursed to the petitioner till date due to acute financial constraints of the board and the non-availability of requisite funds from the government of Assam. Stop. Upon perusing the stand of the respondent municipal board, especially paragraph 3 of the affidavit in opposition and the annexure and the certificate, or what is it called, this annexure?
This is a statement given.
And the statement enclosed as annexure R1 to the said affidavit in opposition, it appears that due to non-availability of requisite funds from the government of Assam, the arrear salary and the retirement benefits claimed by the petitioner are not being able to be released to the petitioner despite lapse of
Almost 4 years.
almost 4 years.
More than 4 years.
It is further apparent that the municipal board on several occasions, especially including by letters dated 7/4/2025, 15/5/2025 and 14/7/2025, had requested the respondent number 3, Director of Municipal Administration Assam Dispur, to release some financial help to the board. However, there has been no response till date on behalf of the respondent by the respondent number 3. Be it as it may, it appears that the claim of the retirement benefits stroke area salary stroke retirement benefits are admitted, and the same is not been released to the petitioner due to financial constraints, despite the area salaries having fallen due way back on in
21-10-20.
21
10
10
21.
2021. This court deems appropriate, before entering into the merit of the issue, to direct the respondent number 3 to look into the matter on a priority basis and apprise this court by way of an affidavit as regards the time frame by which the no, don't say that. And indicate the steps. I'll say that and indicate the steps taken in response to the aforesaid request letters from the respondent municipal board. I think that should be sufficient. Relist on, yes, give me a date. Yes, Mr. Chutia, by when? So and so, and let a copy of this order be given to Mr. T.C. Chutia, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, for forwarding the copy of the same to the respondent number 3, to the office of the respondent number 3 for doing the needful.
Date may be given, madam.
A date so and so. Needless to be clarified that the affidavit so directed shall be positively filed by the next date of listing, failing which adverse necessary orders, if required, shall be passed against the erring officer in concerned.
Publish.
That being item number 2.
Yes, this is that motion matter.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
My lord, here this matter relates to compassionate appointment, my lord. The petitioner's father died on 23/2/2003, my lord.
2003.
3, my lord.
Yes, yes, my lord, this case is my lord, 2003, and my lord, there is no
Ms. Chaudhary,
After attaining majority, my lord, he applied.
but the entire object of compassionate appointment gets frustrated. It is not some appointment, source of appointment. You see, it's not a recruitment.
That is there, my lord.
This is only a contingency situation. It's immediate benefit given to the deceased families so as to sustain their livelihood after the death of the sole bread earner. Correct. The sense of immediacy has lost. It has diluted after so many years. Almost more than 22 years.
22 years.
This case was placed before TLC, my lord.
Correct, but nothing happened.
My lord, in the TLC, my lord. your
Anyway,
lordship,
I am not
remarks.
rejecting it on today itself. I'm issuing only notice. You just find out your instructions. First day it's come.
My lord, it is covered by a Debrabot Tiwari case, and also Absurd.
Anyway,
That's case.
I'll put it.
All are my lord again.
Yes, but you have you find out because the DLC at that time, probably the person has not attained majority. What was the DLC? Have a look at it, Mr. T.C. Zutia. I can dismiss it right now. It will add a disposal. But you see,
It is liable to be dismissed because my lord is Santosh Kumar.
maybe on the next date then. But
Santosh Kumar Singh is fully covered. They cannot be waited for the minor to till the my lord.
which one? Show.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Where is the DLC's
Page 38, my lord.
When did that come?
2000,
the-
my lord,
the-
7 SCC 192.
4,
Sir,
12,
this is there, my lord,
2013,
I
my
believe
lord.
it, this-
Wait, I cannot hear you both if you speak together.
Page,
Uh.
yes, my lord. Page 38.
Page
38.
38.
38, my serial number, that is the left side, 34. And here, my lord,
Rintu Das or
Rintu Das, my lord, his number is at serial number 6. Your lordship may kindly see the remarks. The following.
because no
document-
vacancy.
Yes, my lord, and it will be placed again in the next DLC if vacancy arises.
And when is this DLC? What is the date of this DLC?
Date of DLC is, my lord,
2013.
21 to 2013.
So what happened after that?
Later on, my lord, the on official communication was issued, my lord. That is at page 48, my lord.
18 December.
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner was informed.
It
by-
was reviewed and Devabrata had come by then.
Yes.
That is why.
It is
Uh,
Santosh Kumar.
Anyway, Mr. Chutia, you take instructions. Heard MS SB Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. T.C. Chutia, learned additional senior government advocate for the state respondent, and M.D. Bara, learned standing counsel for the transport department. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking compassionate appointment for appointment against any post the OM is also under challenge.
Yes, my lord. And here in this letter, my
All
lord,
right. But there are some orders when OM's challenge and something has come.
Yeah,
You check if all this is covered or not. That is why I'm not dismissing it today. You have a look at it, huh, Mr. Chutia?
No, my lord, this OM is very low wage, my lord.
Huh?
Now the suppressing this 2015 member OM, my lord, now the new OM has come. And then it will take
All
up.
right, you take your
So
instructions.
my submission may be recorded, my lord, it is not.
I'm not recording anything right now. I'm not giving any stay order. You don't want a notice? MS so and so seeking compassionate appointment for appointment for seeking compassionate appointment will go to okay. Issue notice returnable, give a date.
Rules, my
I'm
lord.
making it a date so that it can be disposed of on the next date. You get your instructions. When?
The 18th December, my lord.
All right, on such and such date. Mr. T.C. Chutia, so and so accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers.
But
I think 4, 5, and 6 probably.
Yes, sir. I have for 120.
Okay, and MD Bora 1, 2, and 3. Extra copies within the day, Ms. Chaudhary?
my lord, yes.
Within the course of the day. Since the matter pertains to pertains to the claim of compassionate appointment, comma, and in view of the objection raised by Mr. T.C. Chutia on the ground of delay, it is let the return be positively filed by the next date of listing, so as to enable this court to make an endeavor to dispose of the writ petition at that stage itself.
yes, my lord.
Obliged.
Number 21.
Mr. Chutia, you take this, your notes. Should I keep it? It'll be very handy. Yes.
Just received the affidavit and lordship, I would like to make one clarification. On the last occasion, a submission was made on my side that the application dated 2015, which the petitioner said they have submitted, it was traced back in 2015 registered lordship. The department has received that application and the department has tried to forward it twice to the DLC, but due to non-vacancy, that same was not considered your lordship. So we have brought everything in the stand on this affidavit, Lordship.
You have filed it.
We're filing today, Lordship, because tomorrow, yesterday evening we
Let them
received.
file it. Heard Mr. B. Chetri, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, PHA Department. Anyone else? The government advocate? Government advocate, Mr. Goswami, J.K. Goswami, Learned State Counsel for the state respondent. Mr. Gogoi submits that the affidavit as directed by this court on 29/10/2025 is going to be filed during the course of the day. In view of the said relist next week.
Next week.
Lordship will fix that.
And, Mr. Chetri, very difficult to fix it. We don't know the calendar for the next week. The registry will balance it.
This
It
pending cases,
becomes
my lord,
difficult next week on a date to be fixed by the registry. You are a regular. Yes.
At least, my lord, at this juncture, my lord, they have admitted that they have received the application, my lord.
It's going some forward, some steps forward. Snail's pace, but
Otherwise, they would have been in problem, my lord. Otherwise,
all right.
obliged, lord. 22. Obliged, lordship.
Yes. It'll look like it, comma by the speed.
suspension of.
তুমি এতিয়া নকবা তোমাৰে গা বেয়া হয় because of the air condition everybody keeps complaining he also forgets and by second half he falls sick.
The climate has changed now.
Yes.
This petitioner was my joint secretary, my lord. He was placed under suspension way back on 31st of October 2022.
I think I have heard this
Yes,
sometime, no, because I see my notes here.
Yes.
Lordship, last
Suspension.
occasion, yes, Lordship, regarding the status of
Up
inquiry.
to date instruction, yes.
So I have this inquiry has been completed.
Completed.
It is now awaiting the next.
Why next course is awaiting so long?
Lordship, this is regarding inquiry that has been sought.
So here suspension was on 31/10/22, 3 months time. Within that only, I think the show cause notice was issued.
Yes, Lordship.
3/4/23. Then an extension was done on 21/1/2023. Right.
The review committee report is also there, my lord. That is on 21/1.
So all the time frame is maintained.
Maintained, my lord.
Now, what was your exact challenge, Mr.
Chal-
Kotoke?
Actually, challenge, my lord,
Assets and liabilities, you said something.
they have said that they have given the SSL having nothing to do with this
No,
case.
but what is your exact challenge? On what
Exact challenge
ground?
might delay, my, because I am unnecessarily on the review.
But now she says, Ms.
But
Bhattacharjee
State
says,
of the department thing is different thing, my lord. But question is that they all along the review committee is of the opinion, same language they are using, that
no, but then that is difficult because there is, they have
But-
been a reasoned order. They may use the same language.
same
but
language
then-
based on the review.
But then, how many times was it extended?
Extended, I think, more than several, I think I have given the dates, my lord, that is more than 11 times.
11 times on same,
Yes, same ground, my lord. Language is same, my lord.
where is it?
Being-
Show me one.
I will also
Show me one.
Last occasion, this was in the envelope, Lordship, some instruction we have placed.
initial was at page 49, my lord.
It was,
There are about 11 extensions.
11,
yes.
all along, my lord. Same involving a model, grave nature of the charges, which involve moral turpitude, misuse of official power.
Yes, Lordship.
That has caused a
So, you see, these reviews there has to be some application of mind. The charge can be grave, but because of that, you can't, it's not a punishment. Now there can be a situation where you need more time for the investigation. You need, so you see, for that, otherwise, in every case, charges Ms. Bhattacharya is all the time going to be grave, isn't it? Then in a way it will be like in for major for offenses which attracts the major penalty. There is no need for review only. If you keep it pending for how many years?
more than 3 years, my lord.
More than 3, isn't it? Are you following what I'm saying? If you keep it pending for more than 3 years, and you keep extending that, oh, the charges are grave.
Lordship, on last occasion I stated, almost 9 months, he kept it on hold, Lordship, because
Assets and liabilities.
yes, assets and
That's
liabilities.
nothing to do with the
Yes,
case, madam.
Lordship, for enquiry, this is required, Lordship,
Not
because he was caught
Where
red-handed.
is that instruction you got?
the liability because you will receive that so-called notice, my lord.
Where do I get from that part from your instructions that it was his fault 9 months for which the delay took place?
Lordship, this was for this. Lordship, this was actually, I have the record was received later on, Lordship, as the enquiry was on the verge of completion, Lordship. So on the Lordship permission, it was sent back, Lordship. If your Lordship recall, I can get it.
It was there in the record.
Yes, Lord.
That or this?
No, this is regarding the status, Lordship, and this is regarding the short summary, Lordship, of the. So here, Lordship, kindly notice
No,
that-
if it is going to be received very shortly, then why to keep him suspension? Now, reviewed, he was asked to on 16/9, that is after almost 10 extensions. No, sanction granted, extension, review extension, about 3 extension.
Lordship.
Then he was asked to submit his assets and liabilities, but not submitted. Then again extension, then appointed some so and so as
Yes,
a
Lordship,
IO
in the
because the
meantime,
IO
yes,
was
IO,
on leave.
Lordship, there was change of
Then
Lordship.
then when did he submit? Till 14/5 he did not submit.
Yes,
Now when
Lordship,
did he
later on
submit?
he has submitted.
Where is that date?
Lordship, and then kindly fix it
No,
on
no.
either Monday or Tuesday, Lordship. I can get the record. and
Correct,
Lordship
but
will
Ms. Bhattacharya, I think these dates must also come by way of an affidavit so that
Yes, Lordship.
because they are
Yes,
important.
Lordship.
Now, after going through these
Yes,
facts,
Lordship.
one can take a call
Yes, Lordship.
as whether because of his fault the matter will not no relief can be given because ultimately
Yes,
it's an equity court, right? But if this court finds no, there was a brief delay, but nonetheless that cannot be a ground also for the authorities to go on mechanically
Yes,
reviewing, then they could of course this court will interfere. So I think your affidavit is required.
Lordship, kindly allow me
Huh?
1 week time in this.
You're fine, you're fine.
Bring it on record, Lord.
Heard Mr. P. Kotoki, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. M. Bhattacharya, learned additional senior government advocate for the respondent state. MS so submits that the inquiry report, that the disciplinary proceedings drawn up against the petitioner has already been completed as per the instruction received from the Office of the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam, PA Personnel Department by letter dated 3/11/2025. Stop. She further submits that the inquiry report is expected to be received very shortly as informed by the Office of the Inquiry Officer under the said letter. She further submits that the delay in concluding the disciplinary proceeding is primarily on the delay caused by the is for the delay in submission of the assets and liabilities statement of the petitioner, which he was asked which he was asked to submit. However, the records does not however, she does not have the instruction as on which date the assets and liabilities has been submitted by the petitioner. Let a short affidavit placing the relevant facts as regards the extensions stroke vis-a-vis the submission vis-a-vis the issue vis-a-vis submission of assets and liabilities by the petitioner be brought on record. Relist on such and such date. You take back this, huh? You bring this dates.
28. Yeah. Just 26.
Yes, Mr. Barua.
My lord, in this case, my lord, their response is maybe was essential, my lord. I am coming for the retrospective effect of my promotion, my lord.
What is relevant?
Lordship,
What you said, what is?
I'm seeking the retrospective effect.
Retrospective.
Effect in respect of my promotion, my lord. Whatever, my lord.
Notice was issued on,
Yes,
but nothing happened. This is the first time after a notice.
yes, my lord.
Yes, then where is your return?
My lord,
Return?
we have seeking instruction, my lord.
So
but
how much
he-
time?
His promotion has made a given, my lord.
Promotion I have get.
He is claiming, my lord, that he is qualified prior to the promotion. And his promotion is calculated from the date of acquiring, my lord, his qualification, my lord. That is his case, my lord. And one representation also, my lord, pending before the office, my lord. That cannot be disposed of, because my lord, representation is there, my lord.
What about your return? Are you going to file return or not in the writ petition? Notice was issued.
My lord, we have communicated with the department, my
So
lord.
that's why I'm
Takes some
asking,
time,
are you
but
going to file or not?
We'll file, my lord.
So then indicate the time. This has only come for the first time after return.
Yes.
My lord.
For returnable.
My lord, may I pray, even there is a representation also pending before the authority. My lord. Let authority maybe decide. my lord,
Authorities then stay for the authorities to consider that
Because it has
representation.
come-
Is there any
But-
impediment for the authorities to consider?
No, it is pending before their department. Government, my
Heard
lord, because
Mr.
it
D.
is not
Barwa,
communicated.
Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr.
Peace, I can.
P. Saikyal, Learned Standing Counsel.
My lord.
Water Resource
Yes.
Department, Assam. Mr. So-and-so seeks further how much time?
4 weeks time, my lord.
For the 4 weeks time to complete return in the matter. In the list after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry, it is needless to be clarified that the pendency of the instant writ petition shall not be an impediment for the responding authorities to consider the representation dated
5/10/2024.
5/10
2024.
2024. Within bracket enclosed as annexure
Next, 15, my lord.
15 in the writ petition.
No, sir.
24.
It please your lordship, this matter was entrusted to me
Hmm?
by the Guwahati High Court Legal Service Committee.
Okay.
last evening.
You recently
Yes, Lord.
you want some
Yes,
accommodation today, Ms. Chaudhary?
And
There, in the case, I am there.
No, but it appears that Ms. Chaudhary has also been engaged by the Guwahati High Court Legal Services Committee
I am prepared.
as legal aid counsel for the applicant.
I was appearing.
You all right? This court will not stop you from appearing.
Here, update, I may submit, my lord.
No, but since there has been a legal aid counsel especially been appointed, so now we'll take it up on another date.
Yes.
We will hear both of you, more the merrier.
Yes, my lord, what happened, my lord, as per last order, is that they have paid the provisional pension, my lord. The petitioner received the provisional pension, my lord. That may be restored. I was instructed that it received.
This was the only thing, Lordship. We all
Hmm?
the release of retirement benefit, Lordship, as there was disciplinary proceedings and criminal case pending, so provisional pension has been released.
Anyway, I don't understand. It is not clear to this court as why this appointment was also done on 4th 11/25. Because this is after 24/10/25, the last order. And I don't see any judicial order also.
So represented both
Correct.
parties.
I am failing to understand why this was done.
Lordship, in fact, this applicant baby does.
No. I think there is some
He
something
approached
there. PUC is a letter forwarded by the registrar so-and-so regarding an application received from Srimati Baby Das. Who's Baby Das?
Wife of the, I think, wife of the petitioner.
And you are?
I'm the petitioner, Sanjit Das.
So there is some application from the wife. That's why.
Maybe.
By so and so on behalf of the petitioner of the instrument bearing WPC so and so has stated that due to current financial defense, she is unable to afford so and so. In this regard, the said applicant is praying for issuing a NOC permitting her to withdraw from the current council. Oh.
They have not approached me.
And is also praying for legal aid. So you look into it. So, and accordingly, there is a, you see, in the administrative side, the chairman of the Guwahati High Court Legal Services Committee has considered and passed this. So you have a look on in all this. There, this is pursuant to that. Heard Mr. M.J. Kadir, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S.B. Chaudhary, learned legal aid counsel, and M.S.M. Bhattacharjee, learned additional senior government advocate for the state respondent. It appears that pursuant to a request for legal assistance to the petitioner received, the Guwahati High Court Legal Services Committee has appointed the Secretary Guwahati, has appointed M.S.B. Chaudhary as the legal aid counsel to represent the petitioner in the present proceedings. Stop. It further appears that a letter has been received from the wife of the petitioner on her husband, on behalf of the petitioner, and as well, stating that due to current financial difficulties, the petitioner is unable to afford the legal expenses of the present advocate in the matter. Considering the request for issuing a NOC permitting her to withdraw from the current council and seeking legal aid in the matter, MS so-and-so has been appointed. Mr. Kadir, however, submits that he has no information as regards the aforesaid development, and the petitioner has not approached his office in this regard. Be that as it may, in view of the aforesaid letter having been received by the registry of this court, which after having been placed before the chairman, Guwahati High Court Legal Services Committee, and after being and after the direction for allowing the legal aid as prayed for, legal aid counsel as prayed for, the same has been provided by letter dated 4/11/2025. The aforesaid communication dated 4/11/2025 placed before this court by this you have given by Ms. M.S.B. Chaudhary, Learned Legal Aid Counsel, is kept on record and marked as X. M.S.B. Chaudhary seeks a short accommodation. You've received all the papers? No. Let the copy of the writ petition and the affidavit in opposition, let the copy of the writ petition, comma, affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 3 on 3/4/2025 and the affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner on 29/5/2025 be along with other documents, if any, be furnished to MSB Chaudhary, Learned Legal Aid Council by the registry of this court within a period of 3 days from within a period of 1 week from today, and released after a week, or
That will do.
that will do. So within 3 days corridor and relist after a week at the video on such and such date.
That will do.
19 November.
Deeply obliged.
Mr. Kadir, I'm not saying anything, but then I think maybe
I'll contact.
you contact and maybe the name can be struck off then, because it
Yes,
doesn't look good
Obliged.
now. Huh?
And
So-
my name may be reflected.
Yes, yes. Let registry to reflect the name of MSB Chaudhary, Learned Legal Aid Council in the cause list for the petitioner.
27.
My pleasure, Lord, sir. Kindly for the last order, my lord.
2 weeks counter
Your Lordship, we are due to receive the affidavit today. So,
today.
Yes,
You're certain
yes,
it will come.
yes.
Mr. S. Datta,
AK Ghosh on
AK Ghosh. Sorry, Mr. Ghosh, this may be the third time I'm asking your name today, but you see, with so many names coming all the time, sometimes the ones I know them well also I get puzzled. Yes. And Mr. M.H. Ansari, na? Heard Mr. M.H. Ansari, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. A.K. Ghosh, Learned Counsel, representing Mr. S. Datta, Learned Standing Counsel, PNRD. Top. Mr. Ghosh submits that the that the necessary instructions.
Affidavit.
The affidavit only.
Yes.
You're filing.
Yes, we'll find the affidavit.
Instruction already received. as per the standard.
That the return is going to be filed within the course of the day. Relist after a week.
Date may be fixed.
Relist the date after a week on such and such date. Are you going to file a rejoinder?
Let's say April,
In the meantime, so 1 week or 2 weeks?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks corridor. In the meantime, if petitioner is so advised, may file rejoinder against the returns if filed.
21.
On first December.
Good.
Item 28.
My lord, may kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
All right.
Okay, thanks.
Huh?
Instruction awaited.
Wait. So then, yeah.
Yes.
Your name?
SS Ahmed. On behalf
Heard Mr. S.S. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, MS S. Barwal, Learned CGC, MS so-and-so seeks for the 2 weeks?
Doing maybe 4 weeks.
No, not 4 weeks.
Matter of
Barwa.
2017.
3 weeks at best. Further
Okay,
3 weeks
fixed.
time to complete return. Prayer is allowed. Needless to be clarified. And
Affidavit filed, Lordship, with some specific instruction required, Lordship.
further 3 weeks to place the up-to-date report as called earlier. Prayer allowed.
Item 30.
Declare option, my lord.
Yes, Mr. SSA Rahman.
My lord, it is for the non-payment of the family pension, my lord.
Last time there was no appearance on behalf of 125. Who is
Yes,
125?
Well, I am appealing for a 125.
For?
125.
So you're there. Affidavits filed. 125 has
Well,
filed.
My
6
lord,
has also filed.
Fine, man, fine, man.
So everybody is fine. Huh?
My lord, I am appearing for 789, my lord.
Yes.
Only on the last occasion, my lord, respondent number 789 was impleted, my lord.
So have you filed or you going to file?
I am going to file.
You are a newly impleted respondent.
I need a copy of the, my lord, amended. That was the direction, my lord.
It has not given to
No,
you.
my lord.
No, thanks.
Mr. Rahman, if something has to be given, you give it. I'm not recording all this.
Only 1 point, my lord. Because I just want to draw your lordship's kind attention.
Mr. Raman, you first, that they are a newly impleted respondent, they are entitled to a copy. You first
My-
give that before the matter can, unless you do that, the matter will not be progressed.
My,
Heard Mr. S.S.A. Raman, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
A Hassan,
A. Hassan, learned counsel appearing for the newly impleted respondent numbers
7, 8 and 9.
7, 8 and 9. UK Goswami for respondent number 125. Agote UK Goswami Dimot, absolutely. Mr. So and so, learned counsel appearing for the newly impleted respondent, submits that a copy of the amended
Amended.
writ petition has. Is there an amendment in this writ petition? Only amended cost title.
Post title, only post title.
Why do you need the amended cost title? But a copy of the
Copy of the writ
petition
petition, my lord.
has been given or not?
No, my lord.
Say
My
that.
lord.
That a copy of the petition has not been furnished, for which a notice issued or not to you? Notice issued or any?
The last occasion, my lord.
Well,
only
how
the-
come none of you know what has happened in this matter? Mr. Rahman, has notice been issued to the impleted?
no, because they have been impleted, my lord.
Notice issued or not?
No,
Implement
my-
is one
because-
thing.
Because, my lord, this order is not, but that is why we have not sent notice, my lord.
You are appearing for the newly
My-
impleted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, may seek time koi and do formal notice. It will nalage baro, because already appear korise and 3 weeks are extra copies to Aji Peter Didibo.
I will submit it by today, ma'am.
Yes.
Today. Highly obliged, ma'am.
After 3 weeks.
Ma'am.
Item 31.
Yes, Mr. Datta?
Lord, it's a case where your lordship will find 3 days unauthorized absence and the punishment is, my lord, the stoppage of 3 increments with cumulative effect.
The other day when you that said it was about a 1 mark. Today you have come decide it is about a 3.
That's the nicety of this profession.
Yes, Ms. Parva,
Yes, Lordship.
that's what, why? These are small matters.
Yes, Lordship.
First time after
First
notice.
After notice.
Okay. Heard Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel, senior counsel, assisted by MS. S. Musahari, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard MS Barwa. S. Barwa, learned counsel appearing for all respondents, huh? For the respondents. MS Barwa seeks further, how much time?
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to complete return in the matter. Prayer is allowed, relist after 3 weeks. Maintainability is an
Yes,
issue,
yes.
so look into it.
That's the area I'll be troubled. Obliged, ma'am.
32 and 33.
Yes, Mr. Deka.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, certain records were to be placed today by the.
Do you have the records? Records can be in your phone.
Lordship, my senior is there, Lordship.
All right, all right. No problem. Mr. Sharma is your senior.
In the meantime, Lordship, we also filed an additional affidavit. May I point that out?
You have filed an additional affidavit.
Before he, if he places.
When did you file?
We filed on 15/10, Lordship.
Rejoinder.
That is the additional affidavit, not the rejoinder. We have.
Mr. Sharma, do you have the records?
Yes, your lordship, wait for some time because this matter will be led by senior counsel, Mr. A.N. Chaudhary.
Okay.
So,
Mr. Deka,
Then
next
if
week.
Lordship will fix any date,
next week? You want it next week?
maybe. Lordship,
Or the week
Lordship.
next? Because
Week next.
today is, that's why I'm
Lordship,
asking.
that next,
Because there is nothing, no date in this week.
absolutely.
So next week or the week next?
Week
your
next.
lordship, next week may be given because this.
Mr. Deka has some difficulty. He's ready today. You have a problem today. Heard Mr. D. Deka, learned counsel appearing for the petition. Also heard Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel, standing counsel, UCO Bank. Though the records as called for is available with Mr. M. Sharma, learned standing counsel, UCO Bank today. However, a short accommodation is being sought on the ground that the senior counsel has the leading counsel has some personal difficulty. Prayer is allowed. Realist give a date after next week on such and such date. Is it comfortable? That date, find out with the senior counsel also. And if it is not comfortable,
I'll be
take Mr. Deka in confidence and then tell the court master.
Yes.
Yes, highly obliged.
Yes.
Item 34.
In the morning, I made a mention.
Yes.
Friends said that there is the order for last charge.
Yes, let's see.
There's no such.
22-10-25, your lordship may see the
20?
order. 22-10-25.
Yeah, but there is no such order. Heard Mr. K.D. Chetri, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.S. Roy, learned CGC. Mr. S.S. Roy seeks further. How much time?
3 weeks left.
2 weeks time I'm giving you.
Lordship, because the question of maintaining, because he had
So
not meted.
that's a legal question.
Lordship, that's why I require some, because I have.
We've already given you 2 weeks earlier.
Earlier.
3 weeks time to complete return. Prayer is allowed. Interim passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Relist after so and so. Yes, next.
Last opportunity.
All right, Mr. Chetri, next.
36.
May I please, your lordship. Hearing your lordship, I have been placed under suspension.
Yes.
The effect from 1/11. Let me finish. 1/11/2023, more than 2 years. 1st November 2023, 2 years.
2 years suspension.
2 years. Only under rule, sub-rule 2 of
No
6.
charge sheet till now.
No charge sheet, only show cause was there. Show cause notice was issued on 14/6/2024 regarding unauthorized absence.
What about the return, Mr. Goswami?
No review.
He was convicted, Lordship.
Huh?
Convicted.
Yes, I was released.
Convicted.
That is okay, but where is your return? Have you filed return?
No, Lordship, I have to file them.
Then file. It's a 25 matter.
Lordship, I will.
It has come on probably the second time.
Lordship,
You file a return. If this he is not going to agree with what you say, so then the matter has to be adjudicated.
Your lordship,
If your return doesn't come,
I will file.
how will this court adjudicate?
I will file.
Your lordship, one thing, if your lordship permit me, your lordship, provision to sub-rule 2/6.
Anyway, let the return
I
first
have been
come.
released.
Heard Mr. Majumdar. R. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned standing counsel, animal husbandry and veterinary for all the respondents. As prayed for by the learned counsel for the respondent, relist after, give a date after 2 weeks, on such and such date, to enable the respondent complete return in the matter. Needless to be clarified that since there is an urgency involved in the matter, the return shall be positively filed by the next date of listing, so as to enable this court to make an endeavor to dispose of this petition upon receiving the return.
On 24.
Can it be on 4th December? 4th.
24 November.
Yes, next.
24 November. Can it be, Lordship, on December 4th? December.
Last, we are giving them the last
Yes,
opportunity.
Okay, your lordship.
Yes, next.
They may file the rejoinder in between so that I can respond.
Yes, next.
Item 37.
Lordship, there is a writ appeal pending before the court number 1 regarding the similar matter.
All right, it is still pending.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Mashari, you're aware.
No, sir, I'm not aware of.
All right, then I will just adjourn it for some time.
After 12, it is fixed on 12.
Okay, as prayed for by Mr.
K. Kashyap.
K. Kashyap, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner on the ground that the issue involved in the instant writ petition is sub judice before the division bench of this court in another in WA
273
273
2025.
of 2025, which is likely to be
On 12/11/2025.
posted before the division bench of this court on
12/11/2025.
12/11/2025.
2025. Yeah.
Relist, give a date in December, sometime later. Yes, Mr. Furkan.
Lordship, a small prayer, my lord. Apologies, my lord. I was on legs in court number 7, your lordship. Item 17, 18, and 19, my lord. I was on legs actually. I could not appear, my lord. My name may be recorded, my lord. I'm appearing for the elementary education.
Silobo. Yeah, I think I have
Lord.
stated there
I have
that
actually received my
that
instructions.
this court is not appreciating that there are no panel counsels on the behalf of elementary, and this is the second time it has come to the notice of this court.
Actually on Lex Ma'am.
2 days prior also there was no panel counsels.
Secondary, ma'am.
You all may be busy, but then there should be sufficient numbers of panel counsels.
I'll ensure.
Today I shall, however, record your presence,
Right.
but this is not right. You have to find someone. If you're busy somewhere else, ask one of your friend to be in the court. Matters can't go unrepresented, especially for departments.
17.
Yes, mister?
I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 6, my lord. I have already filed my affidavit, my lord.
Item number?
30.
Is it called? I think it is. It is Matislan.
Over, my lord.
We go to. It is
My
over.
presence may be-
Yes, next. It would.
Item number 6.
তুমি ইমান ঠাণ্ডা কৰি থৈছা কিয়? অলপ কন্ট্ৰোল কৰা, কমাবলৈ দিয়া।
May I please, Your Lordship? On the last occasion, there
You are not feeling cold.
yes,
I
Discussing-
think he wants us all to fall sick.
like
No? Yes.
on the last occasion, the finance was directed to obtain the necessary instruction. With regard to the this
He had even at the instruction that he told me,
Uh-huh.
Mr. Chalia, he was here some moment back and he had the instruction in his hand also. Maybe he has gone to some other court after some time.
No problem. He may be having his lunch.
No, he was here. Madam. He was.
Oh, there, Mr. Chalia. Yes.
Here, the case of the petitioner was rejected by the treasury officer, Lordship, because the treasury officer.
So what was the release of DCRG? What is DCRG?
Death cum retirement.
gratuity.
Yes, sir. These are all, Lordship, now it was rejected by the treasury officer on the ground that his services were not.
Death cum gratuity? কমোৱা বা বন্ধ কৰোৱা? Yes.
This AG on the last occasion, the council appearing for the AG said on the last occasion that they have
Lordship,
no
we can file a affidavit stating why we have rejected. Now it will be up to the parent department because it has already been rejected. Now, if it has to be resanctioned, then the authorities in the PWD have to but we are disputing it, Lordship, because.
See, I am not concerned about all that.
Lordship.
It appears that the issue relates to the release of the death cum retirement gratuity benefits of the petitioner.
Yes.
Whatever the hurdles are,
Lordship.
it is all of the state government.
Lordship.
You have to have your own coordination
Lordship.
and sort it out.
Yes.
I cannot be directing individually to the departments after one department. That is his part for the other department to do his part.
Lordship.
So there, but you know, not to you, Mr. Chalia, but I think you need to communicate this also to the AG. That
No, the AG, the council for the AG is there.
I mean the Advocate General, that there has to be a overall coordination of these departments.
In all the departments. Lordship.
Correct.
Yes,
There could be the departments per se may be represented through a different council,
Lordship.
but at the same time they are all of the same tree.
Yes.
They are all in different branches.
Yes.
Most of these cases relating to gratuity, death cum retirement benefits, pension. The moment one of the department does something, the matter doesn't proceed because of the other department or the
Yes.
other authorities not doing something.
Lordship, in
It
this.
is a general reason for which these matters are not progressing, no?
Yes. Lordship, in-
So that is why there has to be some coordination.
Yes, Your Lord. That's-
And why should the matter be waited till here where in the courtroom this this thing is being informed? Why can't there be this coordination prior to the matters being posted before the court?
Yes, Lordship. Yes,
It is just a telephone call.
Yes, Lordship.
Nowadays, WhatsApp messages,
Yes,
you don't even have to dial the number.
The group
You just select and send a message. If you don't want to type it, record it, send it through a voice message. That's simple.
Yes.
But those coordinations are not there amongst the councils, the panel councils.
Yes, Lord.
Now you have said something, Mr. Dhar is trying to find out, read all that. But if this was shared to Mr. Dhar or Mr. Mehdi, because if he is the concerned counsel for that department,
Yes.
the stand that you are saying, these things get sorted out,
Yes,
no?
Lordship, I will.
And it saves judicial time.
Lordship.
And also the matter need not be adjourned or posted to another date. An effective order may perhaps be also passed in a given situation.
Lordship.
You understand
Yes,
what
yes.
I'm trying to say?
Yes, Your Lord.
And I'm not saying this to you, Mr.
No,
Chalya.
yes, Lordship.
Don't take it otherwise. I'm only telling it to you so that you can communicate this.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lordship.
Correct?
I
So as to do some kind of a coordination network amongst the panel advocates.
Yes.
The moment one gets the instruction, one knows that, now things has to be done at another end.
Yes.
That end, maybe that concerned
Yes.
councils are not, has nothing to do.
Matter, there seems to be a little conflict between the two departments here. Then.
Whatever,
Yes.
if that stand is told,
Yes.
then the other department knows what is there. Mr. Dhar is not taken by surprise.
PWD has already.
I
said
could
them.
see the commotion in his face.
No, Lordship, we have informed.
Mr. Dhar,
We are
No, I
disputing.
was of the view that cause my lord, we have done our part.
correct.
Sanction, they have sanctioned.
That's what I'm saying. There is a commotion now.
Even on the last occasion also, there was the
Now suddenly a commotion has
Yes.
come. So if those
Because-
in-house coordinations are there,
even the council is also not knowing about this
No,
particular.
that's why,
fact.
because
Just-
this
Lordship,
instruction has
Lordship,
come
yes.
now. You see, the instruction has only come now.
Exactly.
That is why, Lordship, we are.
And the communication is there, the AG has no objection with regard to release of the amount. Now the communication is come that there is
Something
objection from the AG.
Our-
You put all that on record.
I'll follow.
Put it on record.
Lordship, kindly a short date may be given, Lordship, because this person is suffering for.
Lordship,
period
let
of time.
the other departments also file their respective evidence.
You see, Mr. Cholia, I cannot control the other
Exactly.
departments. You want to
Yes.
bring it on record, you
Yes.
bring it on record, they will know what is to be done.
Yes, Lord.
In the meantime, you inform the Advocate General also to
Lordship.
work out some coordination between all these departments. They are all under the state.
Lordship,
They are not some department from another state.
Lordship, the mechanism for the officers also so that they can coordinate so that.
Correct.
that-
There has to be an in-house kind of a mechanism system work out,
Lord.
isn't it?
Yes, Lord. That is.
They may have their separate, the only different special councils, separate councils are because of to facilitate the cases, but not for all these hurdles. No, now it
These are-
seems
Yes.
lack of communications. Why these instructions should be awaited only to be told before the court?
Lordship.
Why not before?
Yes, Lord.
Heard, Mr.
SP Chaudhary.
SP Chalia, learned counsel for the
Chaudhary, Lordship.
Chaudhary, sorry, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Chalia, learned standing counsel finance, Mr. R. Dhar, learned standing counsel PWD, and Mr. S.K. Mehdi, learned counsel appearing for the accountant general. Mr. Chalia, in terms of the last order dated 31/10/2025, as regards the status of the release of the DCRG amount of the writ petitioner, submits on instruction that, yes, your submission.
Yes, Lordship, that since the petitioner service has not been regularized, so DCRG is something that is given to an employee who is covered by the Assam Service Pension Rules. So since his service has not been regularized, he is not entitled to DCRG. And the communication that was written, that is why it was rejected by the Treasury officer, because he is not entitled to it. And on the basis of, and there is an OM, Lordship, which will annex in an affidavit. On the basis that his case was rejected, Lordship.
That the petitioner is not entitled for the DCRG as his service
was not regularized.
was not
By the
regularized
competent authority.
by the competent authority. Let the said instructions be placed on record by way of affidavit in opposition with copy in advance to the learned counsels appearing for the PWD and the accountant general. Since the other respondents have not yet filed their response, let responses be filed from all the remaining from all the arrayed respondents by the next date of listing. relist on a date of that diok after 3 weeks. So all affidavits must come by next date. Needless to be clarified that the concerned departments, panel councils may coordinate with one another in order to enable them to finalize their aforesaid their filing of returns.
Item 57. Well, with the lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, only one affidavit has filed lordship by the one respondent. Lordship, I have to file reply lordship there. And others.
As prayed for by Mr.
As Hawk.
S. Hawk, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner to file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by
This for 5.
R5.
And I am appearing from 6 below.
Ask your junior to just give all the names.
Interim, what is the lordship? Interim.
Interim, if any, shall continue to the next set of listing.
Okay.
Next.
Orders. Item number 38.
Who is appearing for respondent number 6? I 5 and 6. This matter was fixed today. Last time also there was no appearance on 6 and on behalf of 6 and 7.
Yes.
Fresh steps you could not take against 5 as none other than R6.
6. And 6 and 7 has already filed affidavit.
But today also there is no counsel for 6 and 7.
Last occasion also, my lord.
Who is appearing for 6 and 7? Why there is consecutive no representation for R6 and 7? The names are not shown. It's a 2017 matter.
Name is shown, my lord. H. Rahman and my lord R. Sharma.
30 ki mane to?
38.
H. Rahman, yes.
R. Sharma.
R. Sharma. Just hear the order. Heard M.U. Mandal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard M.S. Mushari, D. Mushari for
1, 2, and
Learned
4.
Counsel appearing for respondent number
1,
1, 2,
2,
and
and
4.
4.
Your affidavit, I think, has come. No.
No, your lordship.
So when are you going to file? Are you going to file or not required?
Lordship will file because we do not have instructions, your lordship. We'll file lordship will give us.
Barwa, you are there
Respondent number 3.
as Barwa for R3. Are you going to file?
No, no.
MSD Mushahari seeks 2 weeks time to file 3 weeks time to file return in the matter. But it's a 2017 matter.
Yes,
Returns have not been filed till now.
Because maybe because this service were awaited, your lordship.
So what service awaited? Your state
And your lordship.
awaited only for private respondents. What do you have to do with the service of the private respondents? Your 1 to 4 and 5 is education.
Lordship.
Well, what do you have to do with the other respondents?
Lordship.
You have to file, you have to file. Otherwise, I'll foreclose your right. The matter of 2017, no affidavits till date.
Lordship, here SMDC, it's only for the term is for 5 years, your lordship. If it was
that's a key likhna.
constituted in 2017, your lordship, the period must be over. So let me obtain instructions.
None appears for the respondent number 6 and 7. Also 5, na? None appears for respondent number 6 and 7, despite the names of the Learned Counsel, I, Mr. H. Rahman and Mr. K. Sharma being reflected in the cause list. Pertinent that on 3/11/2025, after this court noticing that fresh steps has not been taken against the respondent number 5 as directed by this court earlier on 23/7/2025 on the ground that the Learned Counsels appearing for respondent number 5 can also appear for respondent number 5, as he is none other than the school, that as the said respondent is none other than the school management and development committee itself. Since on 3/11/2025 as well, there was no representation on behalf of the respondent number 6 and 7, this court listed the matter, directed the matter to be listed today. However, today also there is no representation on behalf of the respondent number 6 and 7. Relist, yes, when?
Lordship, after 3 weeks, your lordship.
At a date, Jock, after 2 weeks, Jock. Relist on such and such date. Stop. Let registry intimate the listing of the said of the incident matter, the next date of the incident matter to Mr. So and so learned counsels appearing for 6 and 7 via WhatsApp or any other mode of communication, admissible mode of communication. In the meantime, let the instruction/return be filed on behalf of the state respondents, on behalf of the education department, concerned department, relist accordingly.
Obliged.
Yes, Ms. Devi.
Lordship, this contemplation in this order, Lordship, at page.
Yes.
My lord, we are yet to file our wakalatnama in this matter, my lord.
Why? It's a 19 matter.
2018 matter, Lordship, there was a direction to pay the.
Why
salary.
this is
Lordship.
pending?
Lordship,
Why is this pending? And I see there are earlier contempts as well. There is a 18. How many contempts are there? 1.
Yes, Lordship.
Why, what is wrong? Why? Otherwise, I'll have all the officers lined up here.
Lordship,
No,
been
this
recently
can't go
appointed
on like this. There is the order of this court.
Lordship,
You see, if by now the response had come, I could have understood. I could have looked into it. But
may I please?
yes, Ms.
Lordship,
Barwa.
since respondent number 4 and 5, I have to receive instruction regarding whether they are holding the post or not currently. They
See,
might have retired.
Ms. Barwa, na?
Bora.
Bora, sorry, Ms. Barwa. It is not about they are holding the post or not. You have to understand that this is a contempt jurisdiction. Irrespective of whether they are holding the post or not, they are answerable to the court.
Yes, ma'am.
Because at that relevant point of time, they were holding the post. So and when they receive a show cause notice from this court in a contempt proceeding, it is clearly given in that form. It is not a simple notice of a writ proceeding. The notice clearly says why contempt proceedings should not be initiated against them. And they are asked to show, and accordingly they are show cause. Isn't it? So the basic courtesy is to put the response. Why that is not coming? If you do not come up with the response on the next date, then they will have to be here. I'm going to make it clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the meantime, if there is any change, you can indicate that in your affidavit, or you can let Ms. Devi know.
Yes, they could have
She-
implemented.
Then they can.
Yes.
Ms. Devi will not
A
know.
short date may be given. I'll take the instruction.
find out.
Whether they are holding this post or not.
No, that is one
Yes.
thing, Ms. Bora.
Yes, ma'am.
I understand your senior has instructed you that is why you are on that. But what happened to what I have just now told you?
Yes, my lord.
Have you understood that or
Yes,
not?
my lord, yes.
So will you be able to put that put the entire response in that short date? Because
Yes,
in
my
that
lord.
short date, if you don't put the response, then I'm going to say appearance.
Yes, ma'am. I'll try to bring that on.
Heard Ms. R. Devi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard MS B. Bora, learned counsel appearing for the respondent numbers
4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6.
We are yet to file Wakalatnama on behalf of respondent number 6, madam.
She further submits that she has received instructions on to appear for respondent stroke contender number 6 as well. However, she has not received the wakalatnama for filing. She submits that she shall do the necessary. She shall she shall put the power immediately within a short period of time. Stop. She further seeks a short accommodation to put the responses on behalf of the aforesaid contender numbers 4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and
4, 5, and 6. What about the other contenders? 1, 2, so many are there.
Yes.
1, 2, and 3. What happened to them? None appears for correspondence stroke contender number 1, 2, and 3. When do you want it?
I'm sure on 24th or 25th, madam.
Relist on such and such date. It is needless to be clarified that since and these people were there as arrayed respondents right from 2019, isn't it? When was notice issued to them? And when did they receive?
At page 16, lordship.
No, 16 of what?
This judgment was forwarded to this respondent.
No, I'm not on that.
Notice, lordship, since repetition was pending at that time and the respondents were appearing, lordship, therefore formal notice was not issued at that time. Repetition was pending. It was an against.
Then don't say anything.
Alright.
Iluna list date.
Item 40.
The contempt matter order is 2017 order. Till date not complied. Only one
The
part
order-
is complied.
Yes, it has been partially complied, Lordship. Here, Lordship, there's a communication, Lordship, regarding the other part of the contempt, Lordship. Here, the concurrence of the personal B department is required, Lordship. So we.
That is why in August 2025, time was given to you, Mr. Cholia,
Lordship, we.
for instructions
Yes.
regarding compliance of the remaining part of the
Yes,
directions in
Lordship.
the meantime.
Yes, for that, Lordship, here, my difficulty is, Lordship, I have been only assisting the court because service was never completed on the respondents. So from my end, I have been assisting the court, and here the department, Lordship, the officer is not a party only, but the officer is requested because it had been sent to the finance department. Finance department had requested the health department to take the concurrence of the personal B department. For that personal B department, the report has been already submitted to the personal B department. Now the department is asking 4 weeks time to comply with the court's order, subject to concurrence of the personal B department. And
Heard Mr.
AU1.
A.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. A. Chalia, learned counsel appearing for the respondent.
Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr. Chalia, learned counsel for the respondent, relist after 2 weeks.
Lordship, yes. Lordship, here the department is asking
4 weeks.
4
weeks is a lot.
Lordship, I'll
Well, all right, I'll give you give you a little more time. Get it done.
Yes.
3 weeks. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry.
Date may be fixed.
It'll come, Mr. Counsel.
41.
Yes, Mr. Bar Pujari.
May I please answer?
Medhi.
Contempt. Yes, my lord. For non-compliance.
Yes, Mr. Bar Pujari. Compliance, not complied.
My lord,
Notice was issued in
Yes,
June
yes.
24.
on behalf of the treasury officer, who is a contemptor out here, I have filed the affidavit. I have stated the reasons why I should not comply the order, because here, my lord, I am to disperse the money.
Now the post is being held by two persons. That is the dispute inter se between the writ petitioners, my lord, in the writ petition and the private respondent. Now the DDO is not, my lord, preparing the bills and sending to the office of the treasury. I being, my lord, the executing authority, unless the DDO sends me the bill, I am not in a position from where, my lord, I will pay the money. Precisely, this is the sum and substance of my affidavit. Now the dispute is inter se, my lord, between this,
What was the direction of the court?
direction, it was, my lord, to
Page number 17.
pay the
18.
salary.
Yes, and headmaster, the
Hmm.
headmaster.
Hmm.
Yes, it is. Page 18, my lord, contemplation.
Read. Yeah,
The
maybe.
second-
Yeah,
and
maybe.
Boro, my lord, A
Borrow.
Yes.
Borrow, read.
It's an interim order, man.
The second paragraph.
No,
my lord.
this is
It
the
stated-
order against which the contempt is filed.
Yes, contempt is filed and this order.
Maybe
was
it's an
sent-
interim, but this is the order.
Yes.
Yes.
It is stated by the learner counsel for the respondent number 7 that although the respondent number 7 had joined, that is me, my lord, the post of headmistress of the school.
You are R7.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
In question on 15/3/2024, and her pay against the said post was also fixed by the order dated 16/3/2024. But the salaries of the respondent number 7 is not being released. It is seen that the status quo order in this case was passed by this court on 19/3/2024, and in the event the respondent number 7 had joined her services before the said date, as well as her pay has been fixed against the post of headmistress prior to 19/3/2024. There is no bar in releasing to the respondent number 7 her salaries against the post of headmistress. Thereafter, by complying this order, the director of the education BTC directed the inspector of school to release the salary. That is page number 43. And is similar.
Now R7, they are not doing it.
I have joined, my lord.
You have joined.
Yes, my lord. The
And it is salary.
Yes, I am only for paying salary.
So why are you not releasing it as per this order? If it is impossible, you have not filed anything in this writ petition. Have you filed?
No, my
In
lord,
the
I
writ
can-
petition?
Writ petition,
Because
it has not been
what
filed.
this in the because the order says
My lord.
it is seen that the status quo order in this case was passed by this court on so and so, and in the event the R7
Yes.
had joined her services before the said date,
90
as well as her pay has been fixed against the post of headmistress prior to 19/3/24, which is done,
Done.
which is admitted.
Yes.
There is no bar in releasing to the respondent number 5 her salaries against the post of headmistress.
Yes.
So, however, any such action that may be taken would be subject to the final order.
Yes.
So, what is the impediment? You do it, list it again on such and such date, and on which date director so and so shall submit a report indicating as to who amongst the petitioners will satisfaction. This is another aspect.
Yes.
We are not concerned with this.
Yes.
Mr. Counsel, you take your seat. Yes, you are supposed to comply, Mr. Pujari, isn't it?
No, my lord. Treasury officer is only the disbursing authority.
No. Who is going to comply?
Comply, my lord, the inspector.
Who
of
is
schools.
appearing for that?
Inspector of schools here, my.
Who is appearing? Because
Yes.
is appearing in affidavit also not filed by
so I think that is the concerned person,
yes,
isn't
yes.
it?
Yes. Yes.
He is the one.
Yes,
Yes.
so far I am.
Because you are not concerned with that part.
I am the petitioner.
I understand, but you see, as per as this direction, because I am taking only the contempt proceeding.
Yes.
Correct? Now, I am not adjudicating the merit of the writ petition. Isn't it?
If he had joined, if she had joined, that is the point of contention before the writ court.
So, but the writ court has already said that if she has joined,
If
then
she
you
has
do
joined,
it. And
but
then
she has
later
not
on,
joined.
whatever the final
Because
outcome.
she has herself filed an
See, Mr. Counsels, now the problem is this order is there. None of you have challenged this order before the appellate court. Has anyone of any of the party challenged this order?
Herself-
It has not. The writ petition is still pending.
I am submitting the petitioner hearing herself has filed an interrogatory application in the writ petition, pending writ petition, saying that she may be allowed to join. That interrogatory application is also pending with the writ petition.
And in that interlocutory application, what happened?
That is pending. Because
Where, what is, today only the contempt has
Only
come. Has the
contempt,
writ come?
Only for release of the.
I think I should have everything listed together then.
Yes, Lord.
Yes,
That was listed, my lord.
Huh?
That was listed on 10/9/2025, my lord.
And then what
Honorable court-
happened?
Honorable court has segregated this matter, my lord. It
Why?
was take, my lord. Only because of this contempt, my lord, only to release the salary, my lord. Because that needs sometimes to hear in the writ petition. Kindly see the page number 41, my lord.
Page
Page 40.
40.
Yes, my lord. Earlier, Mr. P. Nayak was appearing for inspector, my lord. This is the instruction placed by the Mr. P. Nayak.
Page 40.
Page 40, yes, my lord. Type copy is page 39. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that you are hereby directed to release the salary of the newly appointed headmistress.
That
Mrs.
doesn't
Sebastian-
talk about whether you have released or that order of this court is conditional. That in the event, R7 had joined her service before the said date, as well as her pay has been fixed.
Hello.
Prior to so and so, there is no bar. So it's conditional. Now something has to be before this court where we see that she has joined and her pay
Yes.
has been fixed.
Can
Now
it-
this, the petitioner's counsel is saying that this is also in dispute. So you see, unless everything is clear, it is difficult and it looks like it is not for the writ petitioner to comply with this court's order. Neither is the person who Mr. Borpujari is representing
Yes.
has to do it. Now the person who has to pay the salary is respondent number.
My lord, the inspector of schools and my lord.
Respondent numbers. Give me the contempt respondent numbers.
Yes, my lord, in the
Respondent-
contempt, my lord, one.
One.
One. Only one.
R1.
Yes.
Now what
Based on
happened?
these Instructions, Lordship.
Huh?
Based on the instruction, the R2, R3, which is myself, I have to raise the bills of her salary as headmistress. But fact is that she is not joined the post of headmistress and also not executing the.
Have you all
Yes, ma'am.
filed your affidavits?
Yes, my affidavit is on record.
Yeah.
Page number 14 is the zoning letter, my lord. He is misleading the court, my lord.
What
They-
happened to respondent number one? Why has nobody appeared till now?
In fact,
Earlier, Mr. P. Nayak was
response
appearing
of
on behalf of
respondent one is
the.
very-
Is Mr. P. Nayak no longer appearing for him?
Can you see the page number 14, my lord? This is the zoning letter, my lord.
No, that I understood. But who is appearing for the R1?
He is not here.
Mr. P. Nayak's name shows for R1 in the
Hello.
judicial order of 10/9/25
Only that was the first order Lordship, passed by this honorable court in the contempt petition.
by segregating.
Perhaps, my lord, because of the reason, my lord, P. Nayak, he was, my lord, the standing council BTC. Now there is a change, my lord, there is a separate standing council BTC. Perhaps, my lord, at the request of the court, Mr. P. Nayak had appeared.
So what is to be done then? Because it's a contempt proceeding, we need R1 here.
Because, my lord, the issue is something like that, my lord, one person is holding the post of headmistress. My lord, that is one of the, my lord, parties. Now the second person comes in. She says, my lord, that I want the salary in the post of the headmistress. First person says that, no, you have not joined. How can I raise the?
That
bill?
I
That
understood.
is, my lord.
See, that I've understood,
Yes.
but in that, while that whole issue is pending for adjudication,
My lord.
there is an interim order
This
to
order has come.
the,
This
there is
order
an
has
interim
come.
order.
Absolutely.
And in that interim order, it has been said that in the event the R7 has already joined and her
Yes.
her or his,
Her, my lord.
her pay has been fixed,
Yes.
then there is no impediment for releasing.
Yes, now, my lord, the factum.
Now,
of
now,
the joining is being
now you see, now here, few things comes, whether that is a positive interim direction,
Yes, yes.
or because when we say no impediment,
Right.
it doesn't mean that we are giving a positive direction
Yes,
so as to attract
yes,
contempt in non-compliance of the same.
yes, my lord.
Because it seems to me a plain reading doesn't appears to be
Yes,
a
my lord.
positive direction. It only says there is no impediment. So
No
it is for the respondent
Yes.
to go ahead and give it.
Yes.
And tomorrow, after the writ is decided,
Yes,
if it goes the other way, then that becomes
Redundant.
that is clear.
my lord.
That much is clear. Now this contempt has been filed
Yes,
saying this is not done.
not done.
I can dismiss this contempt by saying there is no positive
No
direction.
problem.
I can do that. It is, once the contempt proceeding is brought, it is between the contemner and the court.
Yes, my lord, absolutely.
Well, kindly say.
No, because I don't find there is any positive direction. It says, it is seen that the status quo order in this case was passed by this court and on 19/3/2024, and in the event the respondent number 7 had joined her services before the said date, as well as her pay has been fixed against the post of so and so prior to 19. So therefore 19/3/24 there is a status quo in favor of the petitioner. There is no bar in releasing to the respondent number 3 her salaries against the post. So this is only a observation.
Now the respondent number 3 saying that this status quo is in favor of the respondent number 3, against which I have filed IA to modify
Where is
that order, my
the,
lord.
no, but that is still pending.
That is pending, my lord.
Then, Mr. Boro, please understand,
I got it.
where is the positive directions? Sorry.
Kindly, one moment, my lord. Page
Yes, I
number-
will,
page number-
I am going to hear you. Tell me.
Page number 13, my lord, once, my lord, second paragraph, my lord.
Page number?
Page number 13, 1-3. This is the promotion order, my lord. Page 13.
Yes.
Page number 13, second paragraph. This supersede earlier orders, if any, issued from this office, placing in.
What is this order? Promotion.
Promotion order,
The
yes,
headmaster, headmistress.
Headmistress, yes.
And this is promotion of who?
Of the contempt petitioner. In the
Petition-
respondent 7.
R7.
Yes, my lord.
This was challenged in the writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
And
But
then
the-
they got a status quo order
Yes,
on 19,
19.
which you had filed an IA.
IA,
That is still pending.
pending. Yes, my lord.
That I have
So that is
understood.
Only the superseded this order, my lord. So on what authority he is holding as an.
Mr.
intern?
Boro,
That is my.
now Mr. Boro,
My lord.
can I ask you a
Yes,
simple
yes, my
question?
lord. Sure, my lord.
What am I adjudicating today?
Only that contempt only, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. No, but the respondent is
No,
saying that.
whatever, what am I adjudicating?
My lord. And regarding this joining.
And if I'm adjudicating the contempt, what is there I have to see?
That's-
First, that there is a positive direction of this court for the respondents to do something, and that has been not done. Now, if it is not done, automatically contempt will not be attracted. Whether that is willful, deliberate, or not. Only if this court comes to a finding that is willful, then the contempt may come. Right?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Now, there is no that, first of all, I don't find a positive direction.
Only say
It,
that
it
there
only
is no
says there is no impediment.
Yes,
So it is up to the government.
government is
When
saying-
we say that the pendency of the writ petition, there is no impediment for the government to consider writ petition. Imagine tomorrow the petitioner comes before this court with a writ petition saying the representation has not been considered, and that matter goes on for years and years and years in contempt jurisdiction. Then this court will then be flooded with those kind of contempt petitions. Even today, in two cases, I may have given those kind of orders, no impediment. These are only to facilitate. But where is the positive direction? Your IA, unfortunately, is still pending. I could have understood if there has been some order in your IA. That is also, and these matters are not listed today.
Supposing tomorrow, if they succeed in this case. my lord-
Okay, Mr. Boro, I have heard you enough.
my lord.
Heard Mr.
Boro.
A. Boro, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, contempt for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. R. Barpujari, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent stroke contender number
2, my lord.
2.
Two.
And Mr. 8.
3.
No, your name, sorry.
Dr. Eatwood.
Dr. A. Todi, learned counsel appearing for respondent stroke contender number 3. It appears that the instant petition has been filed alleging non-compliance of the order dated 24/4/2024 passed in WPC number 1623 of 2024. It appears that in the said writ petition, IWPC number 1623 of 2024, the respondent contender number 3 had challenged the promotion, that impugned promotion order dated 13/3/2024, whereby the petitioner was promoted to the post of headmistress
For Borkula High School.
for, where do I get that?
Please.
No, headmistress,
Promotion page 13, madam.
huh?
Promotion
13, I have 13. Headmistress in where? In which?
In
Borkola
High School.
at Borkola High School.
Kodalguri.
Stop. It appears that in the said writ petition on 19/3/2024, this court, while issuing notice,
Yes.
was pleased to grant status quo in favor of the writ petitioner. It further appears that thereafter, the IA was filed prior to 24/4/24 order. The IA, Mr. Bora, was before this order or after this order.
After 24 maybe.
That thereafter, when the matter was listed before the writ court on 24/4/2024, upon the submission made by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner stroke respondent number 7, that although the petitioner stroke respondent number 7 had joined the post of headmistress of the school in question on 15/3/2024, and her pay against the said post was also fixed by the order dated 16/3/2024, but the salaries of the respondent number 7 is not being released. In view of the fact that a status quo order has been issued thereafter, passed thereafter by this court on 19/3/2024, comma, this court was pleased to direct that in the event, not direct, was pleased to observe that in the event the respondent number 7 had joined her services before the said date, as well as her pay has been fixed against the post of headmistress prior to 19/3/2024, semicolon, there is no bar in releasing to the respondent number 7 her salaries against the post of headmistress. Stop. It is further observed therein that any such action that may be taken in the matter would be subject to the final order that would be passed in the said writ proceedings. Stop. It is further observed that the matter was thereafter directed to be posted on 10/5/2024, and a report was called from the Director Education BTC as regards as to who amongst the petitioner and the respondent number 7, writ petitioner stroke contender number 3, and the petitioner stroke respondent number 7 is functioning as the headmistress of the school in question. Stop. It is the specific case of the contempt petitioner that since despite the petitioner stroke respondent number 7 having joined the post of headmistress prior to the passing of the status quo order, and her pay having also been fixed against the set post of headmistress, her salaries till date have not been released by the respondent stroke contemner. Stop. Situated thus, the contempt proceedings, the contempt petition has been filed. Mr. Boro A, na?
A Boro,
A
yes.
Boro, learned counsel for the contempt petitioner, submits that, where is that letter you had shown me? One letter you shown me, na?
Yes, my lord.
Where is it?
Page number 43.
43.
Yes, my lord. This is the director, issued by the director. And inspector letter is 40. Can I say page number 40, my lord? This is
40?
40, yes, my lord.
Yes, this is what you had shown. Submits that the inspector of schools, Udalguri District Circle, Udalguri, within bracket, respondent stroke contempt number 1, has already directed release of the salary of the petitioner stroke respondent number 5,
Respondent
7, in terms of the said order dated 24/4/2024, passed in WPC number 1632/2024, and has accordingly directed this direction was given to the respondent 3, to respondent number 3, to the writ petitioner stroke contemner number contemner number 3 by letter dated 3/5/2024. Correct?
Yes, my lord.
Stop. He further submits that despite the same, the order of this court has not been complied, and accordingly, the respondent stroke and accordingly have violated the judicial order passed by this court. Stop. Per contra, Mr. Dr. Todi, T. Todi, na? A. Todi, Ankit, A. Todi, learned counsel for the respondent stroke contender number 3, submits that there is a dispute as regards the 2 incumbent to the post of headmistress, Borkola High School, Udalguri. And in view of the said dispute, the salary has not been released till date.
Of the administration.
The salary of the
Post of headmistress.
post of headmistress has not been released till date. He further submits that with due respect, there was no positive direction issued by this court while observing that in the event the petitioner stroke respondent number 7 has joined the post of headmistress prior to the passing of the status quo order, there is no impediment for the contender number 1 to release the salary. Stop. Mr. Varpujari, learned counsel for the contempt petition number so and so, further submits that that the direction was issued to the contender number 1 for doing the needful, and the contempt you are for contender number 2, na? And the contender number 2 as such has no role to play in the aforesaid direction, non-compliance of which has been sought in the present contempt proceedings. Have heard the learned counsels for the parties, and having perused the material available on record, it is apparent that this court, while this court, upon the after issuance of notice and passing of the status quo as regards the post of headmistress, at so and so school by order dated 19/3/2024, upon the service being completed and the respondents and the petitioner stroke respondent number 7 having appeared by order dated 24/4/2024 after hearing the submission of the respondent number 7 that he had joined the post of that she had joined the post of headmistress of the school in question prior to the passing of the status quo order, merely observed that there shall be no impediment in such eventuality for release of her salaries. It further appears that the contemner stroke respondent number contemner number 1, that is hey, Inspector of Schools so and so, has already issued necessary orders in this regard on 3/5/2024. Be that as it may, as the writ is still pending for final adjudication, and it is submitted at the bar that an interlocutory application has also been preferred by the petitioner stroke respondent number 7 in the said writ proceeding for vacating of the status quo order dated 19/3/2024. You have the IA number. Being IA
1513 of 20.
1513
2024.
of 2024 is also pending. This court does not find that this court does not find that firstly there was a positive direction least to be alleged to have been non-complied with. That being so, no merit in the contempt petition. Contempt stands closed. Disposed of. Sorry, Mr. Bodo.
Maybe, please, your lordship, my lord, this contempt petition has been filed for violation of the judgment and order dated 9/10/2023, my lord. And that is at page 10, my lord. The operative portion is.
After a long time, I'm seeing Mr. Bora in the other side. Yes.
But here, well, I have some difficulty because the person who is respondent, he retired from service. And the present incumbent is not there. Well, I got a communication from the department, but the Wakalatnama is there. Well.
But the new
has not been implemented. And the respondent, he retired.
No, whose Wakalatnama you want?
What is Wakalatnama I have? Because the person concerned, he retired. From the department, I got an information that.
No, notice has been issued.
Notice is.
But nobody has been engaged.
But he retired. That is why.
But what is this in contempt proceedings? Every day we keep hearing the same thing. Retired, they don't even engage lawyer councils.
No, the new incumbent.
Earlier too, I remember, correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Bora, Mr. In contempt proceedings, generally penal councils or government councils never used to appear because it is always the contemptor has to engage he's arrayed by name, and now every time somebody retires, nobody is there. Penal councils also do not know where this person is because they have not been engaged by any Wakalatnama merely because they are in the government. They are you see, it becomes difficult for proceeding in contempt proceedings.
Judgment is of 9/10/2023. He has retired recently, my lord.
That's
during his
so. Where is he?
During.
I'm going to give him a fresh notice. He cannot be automatically discharged.
Direction is to examine whether during his suspension period it was seal cover proceeding was adopted or not, and if it was, then to hold the DPC, review DPC and consider his case for promotion. But ultimately that has to be done by the incumbent who is holding the office now. So petitioner has to bring him on record. Otherwise, that will not serve any purpose.
This is not for execution, Mr. Nath.
Well, the-
This contempt case is not for an
What-
execution.
what
Today, I am not concerned whether what benefit the petitioner is going to get. I am only concerned with the
Extent he has taken.
with the majesty of the court is
I'll-
concerned.
I'll-
It cannot undermine the majesty of the court.
Well, some information has come to me. I'll get the detailed information. Can you-
I am only concerned with
Lordship,
that.
Lordship, Lordship.
If an order has been passed, it
2
has
years
to
back,
be
my lord.
complied. If it cannot be complied, the reasons must come.
Can be given to me, my lord.
And
I'll-
more than
I'll-
2 years, my lord.
I'll
as
try
of
to
today.
get-
I am just not being able to appreciate this kind of an argument which is automatically coming. You see, Mr. Nutt, since you are there, I am saying it now.
Lordship,
You being the senior government counsel,
Lordship,
I'm indicating it to you.
Lordship.
It is, very, very commonly the submissions are coming. Retired, transferred. Nobody appears for these contemners. Then what is the use of arraying respondent contemners by name?
My lord, the,
We will have the departments.
no, the person concerned has to come.
And then
Lordship may allow.
It is
some
not
time.
coming.
Lordship may allow some time, my lord, in this, my lord, the.
I think in Mr. Chaudhary's matter also something like this had happened just now. They don't come.
Well, from the department, I'll try to get the position or what the action they have taken.
So you find out
Lordship.
orders of this court needs to be
Comply.
complied
That's
unless it's been appealed
Lordship.
and there are difficulties come up.
My lord,
We are here to listen,
Lordship.
but it can't be just ignored and forgotten. 2 years have gone.
More than 2 years.
All right,
My difficulty
some
is that,
patience,
my lord,
have some more patience. Let us see if something comes by the next date. Otherwise,
Yes, my lord.
I'm calling this person.
Yes,
His retirement is no good
no,
as far as the contempt case is concerned.
I have received a communication from the department, my lord, not from the person concerned. I'll get the detailed information.
So no wakalatnama is otherwise on record, no? And this person at any given point of time had communicated to you, the Commissioner and Special Secretary PWD?
From the department, a communication.
No, the department, I'm not concerned much right now. What
Not from-
about this contemptor one?
Not from him, my lord.
You have never heard.
He was there.
Notice was issued. What happened thereafter? See, Mr. Bora,
Yes, my lord.
let him come with whatever he comes, but
Yes, ma'am.
that AD card was not unserved notice has been also received.
Yes, my
So
lord.
why don't you also take a fresh, because we don't know what is going to come unless you want to take a risk and wait for the
No, my
instruction.
lord, I'll take my lord.
You see, they cannot
Yes,
just
sir.
be,
Yes, my lord.
and I do not, I'm sorry, but I don't like that in contempt proceedings, the notices are not given, or even if it is not there. I mean, I appreciate the gestures from the government councils, senior government councils to appear in such matters to assist the court as officers of the court. That gesture is appreciated. But when it comes to contempt jurisdiction, it is of no help. Because when something needs to be done, then against whom do we do?
Yes, my
It
lord.
has to be there.
How do we then progress? Now we are going back to square one. After so many days, because in the meantime he retired, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
But I don't know if you can still find him in that post. He's retired. You'll have to find his address. He is no longer holding the PWRD Dispur post. You see what you want to do. I'll give that liberty to you and keep it. You see what you can do.
My lord, your lordship may give him the liberty to implement the new income.
That
tax.
I will give. That
Yes.
you don't
And
need a
in the
liberty.
meantime, he may
That too, you don't need any liberty.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. D.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Nath, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the sole respondent. However, no, I don't think that is correct to say.
No, true.
It is recorded in the previous orders.
In fact, this, since the matter belongs to PWD department, my lord, I was asked to take the instruction.
Then you say,
Lord, can I observe, my lord?
one second. এর নামটো দিলা নহয় তাৰপিছত লেখা that none appears it is observed that though office note dated 4/9/2025 states that neither AD card nor unserved notice has been received. However, Mr. Dinath, learned senior government counsel, on 8/9/2025 was directed to obtain instruction and file counter affidavit on behalf of the said sole respondent within 4 weeks from, don't say that, stop. Today, when the matter is called, Mr. Dinath, learned so-and-so submits that in the meantime, the respondent has been, the contemner the sole contemner has retired and a new incumbent has taken charge of the post occupied earlier by the contemner number 1. Mr. D.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, seeks liberty to bring the new incumbent to the post of the Commissioner and Special Secretary to the Government of Assam, Public Works Roads Department, Dispur, Guwahati on record. Prayer is allowed. In the meantime, Mr. Dinath, learned counsel, shall also obtain instruction as regards the compliance, as regards the status of the compliance of this court's order dated, give me that date, non-compliance order,
9/10/23.
8/11 or?
9/10/2012.
Are you sure?
Oh, sorry, my lord.
8/11/2023
Yes.
passed in WPC number 7902/2022. Stop. Mr. D.P. Bora is also, if so, it needless to be clarified that if the learned counsel for the petitioner is needless to be clarified that the learned counsel so-and-so, comma, if so advised, may take fresh steps upon the contemner number 1 in his present address.
Or my lord, a care of department, although he has retired, my lord.
Where it will go.
No, my lord, obviously he will be having some communication. Okay, I will find out.
Where?
Yes, my lord.
See, it's a
understand.
person,
Yes,
in
my lord.
person, where the department, if this person has gone to Kerala,
Yes, my lord.
then
Yeah.
where this department will go looking for him?
Okay, my lord, I will find out his new present address. Yes, my lord.
See, that is why I'm saying the problem is because at that relevant point of
Yes.
time, he was not caught hold of.
Yes, my lord.
This is the problem,
Yes, my lord.
isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
The new incumbent will say, I didn't know anything. Now he
Yes, ma'am.
suddenly comes and he's flooded with all such things. So that is why I'm saying at that point he should have been there. I don't know why he was just forgotten.
Yes, my lord, I will take.
And I've said if so advised. So
No,
you
no,
see,
I will take steps.
okay?
Yes, my
Why
lord.
go say Niki sir? Relisting date to date.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
3 weeks after 3 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
Then number 43.
Application, there is a direction to file a compliance order with regard to the direction given by this honorable board.
Who you are supposed to?
Yes, Lordship, I appear for the contemners. We have already communicated to the ministry, Lordship. We require some time, Lordship. Can it be? We require some time to comply with the direction, Lordship. Can it be taken after 3 weeks, Lordship? we have sent it to the ministry to comply with the direction of this honorable court.
Mr. Saikya is giving a very, no, he's giving a very nice smile.
We'll comply with the order.
Heard Mr. I.S. Saikya, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the respondent stroke contemner number 3. Though Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the respondent stroke contemner number 3, submits that the that there has been substantial progress for positive compliance
Of the
of
directions.
the directions passed by this court by order dated 12/8/2015
Yes, sir.
in WPC number 2218/2013. However, he does not have the
It has been sent to the ministry, Lordship.
however, the concerned ministry
Ministry.
is yet to
Approve this particular, approve, Lordship.
approve the same.
Yes.
He further submits that the same, that he has also received the instruction that the same shall be approved
within 3 weeks, sir.
within a short within approximately 3 weeks from today. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the learned counsel by Mr. S.P. Chaudhary released after 3 weeks from that date around 4 weeks corridor.
December. Obliged, Lordship.
44.
Mr. Neong.
Yes.
Yes.
Additional affidavit.
As prayed for by Mr. S. Neog, learned counsel for the writ petitioner, contempt petitioner, released after
1 week.
after a week to enable the contempt petitioner file rejoinder to the response filed by the contemptor number
Lordship,
1.
Yes.
I think 1 has filed only.
Yes,
No?
I am filing.
Huh?
1 and 3, Lordship.
No, who has filed? 1 has filed?
1.
1. And what about the other contemptors?
Lordship, 1 and 3 we jointly filed. So 1 and 3 is the government, Lordship.
45.
You too? As prayed, could you?
Item 45.
Yes, Ms. Fukan.
Yes, we have complied with the order, Your Lordship.
Where is it? Show.
Yes. Appearing for contemptor number 2, Your Lordship.
Where is the order of this court, Ms. Fukan? Yes, I think 29/125.
Yes. Yes, Your Lordship. 29 1.
Release of family pension in favor
Yes,
of the
yes.
petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Raju Kolita,
Yes.
petitioner.
If your number has also been issued, Your Lordship.
No, but this is the sanction has been given
Yes.
and after that has it been released.
Yes, PPO number has been issued, Your Lordship. Now he will get the pension, Your Lordship.
Okay. And R2 is the,
I will wait for respondent number 2.
who is he?
Major, he is a garrison engineer, Your Lordship. Major
Okay,
Tarun.
so he is the person who has given this sanction, isn't it? The
Yes, yes.
31st August order
Yes,
that
yes.
you have given before
Yes.
this court.
Yes.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Heard MSK Fukan, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the respondent stroke contemptor number 2. By way of this instant petition under section 12 of the Contempt of Courts Act 1971, read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India and Rule 9 of the Contempt of Courts, the High Court Rules 1977, the petitioner is seeking initiation of contempt proceedings against the respondents stroke contemptors for alleged willful violation and disobedience of the order dated 29/1/2025 passed by this court in WPC number 6155 of 2023. Stop. It appears that by order dated 29/1/2025, this court directed the respondent number 2, the Garrison Engineer Kohati, within bracket, the contender number 2 herein, to release the family pension of the petitioner. The relevant portion of the order dated so and so reads as so and so, page 12 at A to A. Today, when the matter is called, MS so and so places an instruction dated 31/8/2025 issued by the contender number 2, wherein it appears that the family pension in respect of the petitioner has already been has already been granted by issuance of necessary what is it called?
Pension
Pay order.
Yes.
Pension pay order. Vide PPO number 4032025000108 dated 26 August 2025. The said instruction is kept on record and marked as X. In view of the aforesaid letter dated 31 so and so, and the endorsement made by the learned counsel appearing for the contender number 2, nothing survives for adjudication in the contempt proceeding. That being so, the contempt proceeding stands closed. Show cause discharge issued. Notices issued under the contempt proceedings stands discharged.
46.
This petition was against the discontinuation of sweeper Safhaiola was a casual worker. Discontinued from service after 22 years. But they have filed.
We have filed our affidavit in.
Today I have received, my lord.
Okay.
Let it come after 2 weeks for admission. In the meantime, I will have rejoined.
Heard Mr. C. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard MS
R. Hussain.
R. Hussain, learned counsel appearing for the respondent.
Standing counsel at GST.
Respondent GST. Stop. Hey, board it's causing me blocking my view. Hey, document silo it said mazot ditibo because very difficult. Alignment to take one. Mr. Goswami so and so submits that the affidavit in opposition has been filed today by the respondent, and accordingly he may and accordingly the matter yes. You have filed it today, no? I don't think it has come on record.
I have got their copy today.
MS so and so submits that return has been submitted today, however, the same is not on record. Mr. Goswami submits that a copy has been furnished to him. Let registry verify and place the said return on record. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the meantime, if so advised, the petitioner may file rejoinder against the return.
Sorry. In this matter,
I have changed.
I appeared the respondent number 1, my lord. Today, my lord, I filed objection.
You filed an objection. You filed or you're filing?
We're going to file.
You're going to file. What is the IA?
We are seeking, my lord, some further time to comply with, my lord, the directions contained.
Heard Mr. R. Barpujari, learned counsel appearing for the applicant. Also heard Mr. N. Bora,
Niran Bora.
BORH.
BORH.
Bora, Leonard and Bora council appearing for the respondent number 1. Mr. So-and-so seeks how much time?
Weeks time.
2 weeks time to file objection to the interlocutory application filed by the respondent stroke applicant seeking extension of time for complying with the court's for complying with the direction passed by this court by order dated 6/3/2025 passed in WPC number 409 of 2023. Page 9 of Pajaba. Prayer is allowed, released after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
March.
And so,
48.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Wait, please, my lord. My lord, may kindly.
Correction of mark sheet.
Yes, my lord.
What happened if a service?
My lord, service has been completed, my lord. If you, my lord, kindly peruses office note dated 31/10/25. My lord, service has been completed upon, my lord.
So all respondents are appearing.
Yes, ma'am.
3. And
Lordship 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
you are appearing.
Yes, Lordship.
3. You are also appearing for 3.
No, Lordship, 4, 5 and 6.
4, 5, and 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2. Yes, so all have appeared. Yes, what about your returns?
Lordship 6, some more time. Actually,
All right. Heard Mr. P.R. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Mr. First, give me 1 and 2. A.R. Tawilda, respond number 1 and 2. State council. Standing council, higher education. Number 3. I know, but your name. What I don't know is your name. M. Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 3 within bracket Bar Council of BCI. Huh? And yes, now your name.
RC Alam.
RC Alam, respondent number
4, 5 and 6.
4, 5, and 6 within bracket GU. Huh? And then, so you are only seeking time. What about you both? You have not got the copy. Huh? But you have not got the copy.
Steps I had taken.
It's all right. You
I'll
give
give- I'll-
that. I'm not recording.
I'm-
Say that you give it today.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so, 4, 5, 6. 6, how much time?
Minimum 10 days.
10 days. 6, 2 weeks to file return in the matter. You want? Prayer is allowed. Relist after so-and-so to enable the said respondent put return in the matter. MS so-and-so submits that though she has filed the wakalatnama upon instruction for appearing, however, she has not yet received a copy of the writ petition. Mr. So-and-so, Sarma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, is requested to give a copy of the writ petition within 3 days. Within 3 days from today. Relist after 3 weeks to end up 3 weeks because they'll let them file.
My humble request before this honorable court, my lord, the date may kindly be fixed.
That I will give
Yes.
you. After 2 weeks, did your mark sheet or it, right?
Mark sheet.
10 days, could you say 10 days of the did your date? Released on such and such date. In the meantime, needless to be clarified that by the next date of listing, the remaining respondents, if so advised, may also file the other respondents also. Huh? If so advised, may also file the return. You to file, you asked.
Deeply obliged.
Supplementary list item number 58.
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Lordship, notice on private respondent has been served.
Has been served.
Served except one Lordship, I think 22. But already this matter has been covered by earlier judgment by this court.
Who is 22?
22 is a private respondent. He has been promoted to the post of headmaster. Notice has been issued by registered post with AD.
Now only, I can see only Bora.
I'm there for respondent 2, 3, 4 and 5.
What about the all private respondents? No one is there.
Because already this court has passed an order directing the authority
that junior has been promoted to the post of headmaster in different schools. So recast the select list and to give appointment. I have annexed the order also.
All right, they have been served on August 25, 8th August.
They were also party in the early repetition.
It's okay, we'll wait for one more occasion and then see what happens. Heard Mr. S.K. Goswami, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S.B. Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. D. Mushari for respondent number 1. Though office note dated 4/11/25 indicates that that service in respect of respondent numbers 7 to 9, 11, 12, 13, 15 to 23 has been completed. However, there is no representation on call. It further appears that as per the said office note, the service in respect of respondent number 22 is still awaited. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
For hearing item number 50.
Some hearing is there. Yes.
Rule was issued, my lord. The thing is that he is coming for the second time. After motion. Notice of motion was issued on 15/9.
Yes, this is a returnable date.
But my lord, rule was issued.
Rule, initially on the first day itself.
Itself, my lord. And we did not file our return, my lord.
You file it.
We'll file it.
Heard Mr. K.R. Patgiri, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Dhar, Learned Counsel appearing for
PWD, my lord.
Standing Counsel, PWD. Anybody else? Please give your appearances. Mr. Chalia, I think is also there. Everyone, just give your representations. As prayed for by the Learned Counsels appearing of everyone is filing returns.
No.
Or only Dhar?
I will file, my lord.
As prayed for by Mr. R. Dhar, Learned Counsel.
And Chalia also, my lord. Financial.
Ardhar and Echalia, after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the said respondent put their return, file return in the matter.
51.
This I don't know how it is admitted. Perhaps some.
Maybe some.
Yes.
Obliged.
My lord,
One second. I will. It's not correct to be in the hearing column. In view of the fact that returns are not complete, the list next data on the next date of listing, let the matter be listed under the order column. Yes.
Inspector of Police, my lord.
Promotion matter.
Yes, my lord. And
Yes.
my lord, only my lord, she is not promoted only in the name of pending criminal case, my lord. Yes, my lord, pending criminal case, my lord.
Yes.
In the name of pending criminal case, she is not promoted, my lord. Whereas the FIR, my lord, lost by the informant, my lord, that was also withdrawn, my lord. And in the writ petition.
Promotion is kept withhold because there's some criminal cases
Yes, my
pending.
lord.
Only on that ground.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, the FIR lodged by the informant, my lord, that was also withdrawn, my lord, on 29/11/2023 before Commissioner of Police Panbaza Guwahati, my lord. And my lord, for no fault of her, she is not promoted, my lord. It is the authority to submit the charge sheet, my lord. And she is going to retire by next year, my lord. And she has also participated in the pre-promotional cadre post, and she successfully passed out now for the post of Inspector of Police. And on the last occasion, my lord, respondent was directed to obtain instruction, my lord, regarding the status of the pending criminal case, my lord.
Received.
What is?
It is under investigation, not the charge is not yet filed.
No, but FIR has been
Withdrawn.
withdrawn.
Not on record.
My lord,
Because the FIR cannot withdraw during the investigation. After registration of a case, how the FIR will do? It may be quash or,
You have filed affidavit.
yes, I filed them.
That you have filed.
Yes. fine.
In that all this has come.
No.
So
This
then you
state-
put all this. Heard Mr.
DK.
D.K. Roy, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. J.K. Goswami, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate for the state respondent. It appears that the promotion of the petitioner is being withheld on the basis that a criminal proceeding is pending against the petitioner. On the basis of a criminal proceeding being pending against the petitioner. Though Mr. Goswami submits, Mr. Goswami submits that in the said criminal proceeding, a charge sheet has been
Not yet filed.
not yet been filed. However, investigation is
Going on.
has been progressed substantially.
Yes.
He further seeks a short accommodation to place on the latest up-to-date status of the investigation on record. Player is allowed relist after such and such date. 2 weeks on such and such date. Released in the order column or hearing?
Order.
The hearing.
Yes. Dismissal from service.
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, the only allegation is that, my lord, the petitioner overstayed his casual leave. Page 22.
Casual leave.
Yeah, page 22, my lord. Here is the statement of allegation. But those 6 days, 8/1/2020 to 18/1/2020.
Hmm?
8/1/2020 to
Hmm.
18/1/2020. He
How
was
many
allowed-
days?
he-
8 days.
Six days, my lord.
6 days
Casual
overstayed.
leave, my lord. And he overstayed, and when the respondents issued show cause notice, the only fault of the petitioner is that he did not reply in the first instance. After receiving the reminder, he submitted a representation. His ground was medical ground because at that time COVID was going on, my lord. But it was not accepted because the petitioner did not annex the medical reports, my lord. Subsequently, departmental proceeding was held and he was held guilty, my lord, and an order was passed. That is Annexure J, page 33, my lord. Peruse the finding of departmental proceeding number so and so drawn up against constable so and so of this unit.
Ms. Chaudhary, it seems this is probably the last matter and there's not much time also.
Yes, ma'am.
So many orders has already been given. I am not sure today being the last day whether I'll be able to finish it or sign it. So let's have it on Tuesday or in the week coming.
Yes, my lord.
Huh? When you want it, Tuesday or Thursday? Tuesday. Heard MS SB Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS M Bhattacharjee, Learned State Counsel. Stop. Aspirate for released on yes. When do you want it? Tuesday or Thursday?
Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday, Parimal, on such and such date.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure